My lord, I wish to mention item number 22, my lord.
22.
Matter, my lord.
Ah.
My lord, the other side, my lord, the official respondent, they filed their objection. And my lord, I would like to file my rejoinder, my lord. So, my lord,
Mr.
S.A. Ahmed.
S.A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply.
My lord, 2 weeks is.
List up to 2 weeks, huh?
2 weeks.
Then 2 weeks. List up to 2 weeks.
Your
Obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31, Lordship. Kindly matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks, Lordship.
Why?
Senior is not well, Lordship.
Okay, on the ground that Mr. M.S.Ek, learned counsel for the petitioners has some personal difficulty come up. M.S.
As
learned counsel prays for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, with due consent from other side, Lordship, item number 15 and 16 may kindly adjourn for 3 weeks.
15 and 16.
15 and 16.
Yes. What do you want?
Lordship, may kindly fix the date for 15 and 16. Lordship.
Mr. On the prayer, Mr. R.M. Das, learned counsel for
Yes.
State
Thanks.
Council, NC Hills. Right. Mr. For what?
Lordship, for producing of some records, Lordship.
Submits that he may be granted some time to produce the records. Mr. Praise the Lord. Mr.
AI Qatar, Lordship.
AI
Qatar.
Land Council for the petition
7.
is present. And MS so and so.
ANU.
Correspondence to ANU
Lordship.
are present, huh?
And in 69.
List after 3 weeks,
Yes, Lord.
Lordship may fix on 2nd, Lordship.
2nd of June.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please, my lord. With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 18 of the daily list, my lord.
18.
It was circulated yesterday.
18.
my- Yes, my-
Yes, on the prayer of
petitioner, my lord. I have no objection.
H. Borough Land Council. For the London Standing Council, GST.
behalf of B. Chaudhary, my lord. The GST.
Right, huh? And the prayer not being objected to by Land Council for the petition of Mr. P.R. Sharma.
Yes, my lord.
Land Council for the this the matter after 3 weeks.
My lord.
Each of obliged.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 20, my lord. With the consent of the other side, let this matter be adjourned for 2 weeks, my lord.
Okay, on the prayer of MS.
Lordship,
Lordship,
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
This is for the petition.
Your name, please.
Respondent number 6.
You are respondent number
S.
6.
Yes, S. Borpatro Gohai, my lord. I am for respondent number 6, my lord. Mrs. S. Borpatro Gohai.
I am for item number 5, my lord.
Lordship, I am from the petitioner, Miss S. Das, Lordship.
S does, H does, S does,
Yes,
S does
Lordship.
learning council for petitioner and Mr.
PDK, my lord.
Pideka.
Respondent number 5.
Respondent number 5 are present, huh? List after 3 weeks.
Yes, my lord.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, with the consent from the other side, I beg to mention item 29 of the daily list.
Item
29.
29. Yes.
The 2 weeks time may be granted.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. You are for petitioner.
On the NC
For what? Filing affidavit
to bring, to produce record.
for production to produce the record, huh? So and so. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Yes.
May it please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 30, my lord. 30. With the consent of other side, my lord, I beg to mention, my lord, this matter.
You are
S. Case, S. Singh,
S. Singh.
my lord.
Learned counsel for the petition, huh? List after 3 weeks.
May it please, sir.
May I
Yeah,
please, sir?
yes.
Lordship, item number 42 of supplementary list, Lordship, I
Hmm.
have got the petitioners.
Hmm.
Lordship, today morning I have got a affidavit in opposition, so I have to reply. Lordship, kindly act on it, and this matter will be fixed on next week, Lordship.
40?
Next week.
42, yes. On the prayer, Mr. I. Hawk, learned counsel for the petitioner, that this matter will be listed after 3 weeks, so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
I beg to mention item number 14.
Lordship, I am seeking time, Lordship, fixed date, Lordship, on the next. Lordship, I have some urgencies there, Lordship, otherwise
Then we'll take it up today.
I have to reply, so that's why, Lordship, can be given a date, Lordship.
3 weeks. Yes, next.
I beg to mention item number 14, Lordship.
14.
14, 1 4, Lordship. Agenda matter for today, Lordship.
Why?
These are some personal problem, Lordship. Personal problem, Lordship.
What personal problem?
Some medical problem.
Yourself?
Yes, Lordship.
You are here.
Yes, Lordship, but my wife also suffering from.
Item 14.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. On the prayer, Mr.
Gigi Gogoi.
Gigi Gogoi and counsel for the petitioner. This matter after 3 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a contempt case.
When's fine? When? When? No, we can take it up. Next week.
May I please, your lordship, with the consent of opposite party, I would like to mention item number 19. We will file our rejoinder within 3 to 4 weeks time.
91.
19.
Okay.
I'm for the petitioner.
Agarwal.
Yes.
MS P. Agarwala, learn counsel for the petitioner. Praise for is granted 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
I have to file affidavit in reply. List after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
List the matter after. 19.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 6. Due to medical grounds, my senior couldn't appear today. May the matter be listed again next week.
Item 6.
Yes.
Motion matter.
Yes,
On the prayer of
petitioner.
your name, please.
B. Nandini, appearing on behalf of Deva Sharma.
Deva Sharma. Listing of the matter after 2 weeks.
Next week.
After a week. Praise this after.
Obliged, lordship.
Your Lordship, with the consent of others, I beg to mention item number 38, Your Lordship.
38.
Yes, sir. The arguing that Mr. SP due to some urgent matter cannot take today. Let it be listed on 15th, Your Lordship. It's a bit urgent matter, Your Lordship.
Not 15. After that.
After 1 week, then Your
On the prayer of Mr.
J. Das.
J. Das, then counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Should I beg to mention item number 12, the matter has been infructuous, your lordship. We have informed the other side also, he's present here.
Mr.
Vijay Mukherjee.
PJ?
Mukherjee.
Vijay Mukherjee, learn counsel for the petitioners submits that the petition has become infructuous.
3 and 4, Your Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so,
My name is Ian Azhar, Your Lordship.
and learn counsel for respond number 3 and 4. That how it's become infructuous?
Lordship, they have abandoned the house, your lordship. They have abandoned the house long back in 2022 and they are no more disturbing.
Wait. This court has taken serious exception. Mr. Narzari, are you looking after her? Your father has died in the process, during the pendency.
Submission, Your Lordship. The pleading is there.
Just wait.
My pleading is there, Your Lordship.
Father has died.
Yes, the pleading is there. I have.
Are you looking after the mother? Your mother?
Yes, there's no more discord anymore.
No.
It was
what
a
is called?
discord because I had
Where she is?
in her place.
Where are you? Where are you? I mean, your client. 3 and 4 were there.
Here in the
Different house.
some other place right now.
Some other place.
Some other place, right?
Are they working?
They had a very this one their job was not in a good state, Your Lordship. The salary they had was in a very this one.
What is the relation now?
No more strenuous relationship.
But then are you looking after her?
Yes, we visited her place.
She is happy. Your mother is happy.
That's why they wanted to.
Yes, your lordship.
Happy.
Yes.
But they are residing elsewhere.
Yes,
They do visit now and then, your lordship. That's the,
Are you sure?
yes, sir.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Please advise your this respond 3 and 4. Okay. So accordingly, writ petitions stands closed as in process. with an hope and trust that you look after your mother.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
She must be really in the last evening of her life. Your father had died during this pregnancy. Very unfortunate. Anyway, not to you, your client only, huh?
Please.
Lordship, I beg to mention an item for withdrawal, Lordship.
Item 4.
Withdrawal, Lordship.
Item 4.
No, Lordship. For withdrawal, a writ petition for withdrawal on Monday, your Lordship. Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? This is
Madam, what is the other option? This order of what? Subdivision judicial magistrate. Is there no any other option to implement? I mean, execute the order.
that I'm not aware of it.
See, all the violation of we cannot take cognizance, all the, I mean, violation of the trial court orders. In all, in few and exceptional cases, particularly in the criminal matters, criminal contempt. Civil contempt, you may have is it civil contempt or what? Is it a civil contempt or what?
Criminal contempt.
Huh? You have filed that petition under section 10?
Yes.
Anyway, heard MS,
L. Thakur.
learned counsel for the petitioner. List of next para. This is an application under section 10 of Contempt of Courts Act 1971. Praying for. No, in alleging willful disobedience and non-compliance of the order dated 28/07/2025 passed in PRC case number 1176 of 2018 under section 14 of Assam Game and Betting Act 1970. Arising out of Paltan Bazar PS case number 967 of 2018 passed by the Court of Subdivision and Judicial Magistrate within bracket S-1 Kamrup within bracket Metro. Next, issue notice returning by 4 weeks. Then counsel for the petitioners to take a stage to service of notice upon the alleged contemptor by speed post as well as usual process within 2 working days, list after 4 weeks. You think about it. It's not all the cases, all the violation.
Obliged.
Item 2.
May I please?
Yes.
Malad, had in a case, Malad, in a particular Gau Panchayat, Malad, there are Malad, 10 Malad
Well,
wards.
issue notice, that's all, nothing.
Now, out of 10 wards, Malad,
Huh.
4 wards have been Malad, discriminately Malad, deprived.
Hmm.
No amount has been sanctioned. And no action plan has been made. Accordingly, Malad, we have challenged the Malad annual action plan as well as the Malad approved sanction plan.
Where it is page
Yes. Now, first impugned Malad action plan, Lordship will find at page 16.
16.
16.
Ultimately, it's culminated into page 32.
Yes.
Annexure 9.
Ultimately,
Your
32
challenge is this, right?
32, Malad.
Heard, Mr. Will issue notice, that's all. Nothing.
Malad.
Heard, Mr.
MU Mundal.
M.U. Mandal, learned counsel for the petitioners.
Petitioners, 2 petitioners.
Petitioners. Next para. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the annual action plan under MGN Menrega, MGN REGA for the year 2025 to 2026. Approved by the Block Development Officer, Naya Ralga Development Block in respect of Gutipara Gaon Panchayat on the ground that the respondent authorities have approved have not approved have illegally have failed to approve the scheme. What is this? Approve the no have discriminately approve the said action plan. List of the petitioner, next para, is the petitioners are the, you are
Odd members.
elected what?
Yes, odd members.
Elected ward members
Mal-
of what?
Of my lord, odd number
Ward
25
number
for
25/4,
Gutipara part Roman 3.
Gutipara part hyphen small Roman 3 within bracket
And
B,
25 to
bracket B,
Gutipara
and 25
part 2 Roman.
oblique 2, Gutipara part 2. List of, it is the contention of the petitioners that while approving the annual, or approving and sanctioning the annual action plan, the action plan in respect of the aforesaid 2 wards have been left out without any justification. List of next para. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. You are appearing for all. Who else are appearing? All are, okay. As Mr. Mr. Chakrabarti, B. Chakrabarti, learned CGC, comma, and who is 2? SS Roy, learned State Council, and Mr. S. Datta, learned Standing Council.
For 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8.
Appears and accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. No formal, no issuance of formal notice is dispensed with, List of then counsel for the petition next period to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 6.
9.
6 and 9.
6 are already fixed.
Okay, then only 9.
Only 9.
9. And by registered post as well as usual process during 2 working days.
But-
Then you said extra copy be furnished.
But till then, my lord,
What?
we are not seeking, my lord, staying the, my lord, project, my lord. We are, my lord, seeking, my lord, the outcome of the writ petition,
What?
the implementation of the scheme, outcome of the writ petition, my lord. Otherwise,
You-
otherwise, my lord, we will lose, my lord, in the future,
Huh?
because the entire amount will be, my lord, utilized in the different.
No, yours, they have already approved some schemes,
Yes.
leaving out your scheme in respect of your what?
Yes.
You will.
That
you'll
is why,
get-
my lord, we are praying, my lord, the, my lord, utilization of the fund, outcome of the writ petition, my lord.
No,
That
no,
will-
that cannot be now.
If the entire money is not utilized, then we will be deprived forever.
No, this sanction amount is for a particular area,
Yes.
particular ward or something like that, but then not, it is not included your ward. So we'll
It is,
see.
it is for the entire GP, my lord, Gaon Panchayat.
Huh.
They have distributed it to the, my lord, 6 wards. 4 have been, my lord, deprived.
Huh.
That cannot be.
Similar matters only notice has been issued, my lord.
We'll see, we'll see.
Now we are seeking, my lord,
We'll
the
see.
implementation, my lord, subject to the outcome of the writ petition, so that we
It's
can,
always there.
so that, my lord, we can get, my lord, compensated in the, my lord, if we
Sir,
succeed.
it's always there.
My lord, if we
No order
succeed,
is required. Always it will be subject to the whatever order. If your writ petition allowed, you will get everything. Thank you.
obliged, sir.
May I please, your lord.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, I have a very limited prayer.
Hmm.
But in fact, what has happened, the petitioner before your lordship, my lord, pursuant to election held on 3/7/25,
Hmm.
she was elected, my lord, as the president of a Gaon Panchayat, namely Umarpur Gaon Panchayat, my lord.
Hmm.
Thereafter, my lord, she has been serving as such. In the meantime, my lord, some litigations had taken place before this court.
Hmm.
My election has been, my lord, pursuant to the High Court's interim direction, I have been continuing as such, my lord.
You are what?
I am president of Umarpur Gaon Panchayat.
President of?
Umarpur Gaon Panchayat, my lord, in the district of earlier Karimganj, now Sri Bhumi, my lord. Now, what has happened, my lord, due to the, my lord, non-cooperation and in absence of the coordination, my lord, as a president, my lord, I am debarred from functioning as such, my lord.
Mister, will issue notice.
My
Let
lord,
us
in
see.
fact, instead of issuing notice, what has happened, I have submitted, my lord, representations to the department. Basically, what is my grievance? If your lordship come to 77, annexer 16, and in para 3 and 4, the subsequent page 78, my grievance rests here, my lord. I'm just reading it out for your lordships. I'll take 2 minutes time, my lord. 78, my lord. Despite my repeated verbal request, your office has not yet facilitated the activation of my digital signature certificate or provided the necessary lodging credentials for the eGram Swaraj and other relevant government portals. Now, that is not given to me. And para 4, that due to non-activation of these credentials, I am effectively prevented from authorizing payments for completed public works and initiating new projects under vital schemes such as MNREGA and 15 Finance Commission. This has created a functional deadlock, causing serious hardship to the workers and stalling the development of the Gaon Panchayat. Precisely, my lord, this is the, my lord, grievance. So let them take a call within a certain period, my lord, 2 weeks. And only I am asking for digital signature certificate. Digitally, my lord, for signing, for payment, for, my lord, releasing the funds.
Their interest will just say, we'll ask them to obtain
Yes,
instruction.
next week, my lord, correct.
Next week or not next
Otherwise,
week.
their dispute is, my lord, the election of president, main dispute, my lord. There is already pending case also there, my
No,
lord.
it's okay, but then he's presently he's working,
Yes.
maybe by virtue of the interim order of
Yes.
this court.
Correct, my lord. Our office cannot come to a standstill, my lord, due to dependency.
Heard, mister?
SK
May
Taluk
I submit a small thing, my lord?
Yes.
As per his, my lord, paragraphs, my lord, the district commissioner has already cancelled. Thereafter, one repetition has been filed, he have annexed, status quo has to be maintained. Therefore,
Yes.
if already his.
That's why we
Yes,
were
yes.
to suppose if there's a protection, if he's working under the protection of this court
Yes.
or the court's protection, wrongly right,
No notice, my lord. In fact,
you obtain instruction.
next week, my
What's
lord.
the what is the exact position?
Yeah.
All right. Heard, mister?
SK Taluk, my lord.
SK Talukdar, learn counsel for the petitioner. Next para. Agreed by the, no, the petitioner is, what you are working as?
President Umarpur Gaon Panchayat. my lord.
Is working as the president of Umarpur Gaon Panchayat. Of which place?
My lord, in the district of Shivbhumi, my lord,
In the
earlier
dis-
Karimganj.
In the Sribhumi district. Claims that despite he being
She, my lord.
receiving the elected president,
Cancel already.
the authorities,
Page 78, para 3, 4, my lord.
huh?
Page 78, my lord, my grievance. Para 3 and 4.
Authorities have not facilitated the activation of her digital signature or provided the necessary login credential for the eGram Swaraj and other relevant government portals for which the for which the petitioner is unable to function.
Next.
And also for no, it's okay. Comma. This writ petition is instituted, huh? List of next para. It is the contention of the petitioner that due to such action on the part of, due to the action of not providing the digital signature and other relevant administrative work, comma, the day-to-day administrative function of the petitioner as a president.
So confusion was.
Is under is being obstructed. For which the public works are suffering, including public works, including the development funds are suffering. Mr. Considering the submissions of the learned counsel for the petition, as well as on the perusal of the materials, it would be appropriate in the matter. It would be appropriate to direct the respondent authorities to obtain instructions accordingly. At this stage, accordingly, Mr. S. Datta, learned standing counsel, Revenue Department, PNRT, is granted 2 weeks time to obtain instructions.
Can it be next week, man?
2 weeks, 2 weeks.
Lordship may fix a date, my lord. Date may be fixed, man. Huh? 25th to 2 weeks, no, about 18 over 22 ভিতর দিও 22 দিও but when deeply obliged
25th.
25 obliged
Obliged.
May I please?
Yes.
So the petition filed against the order dated 23/2026, passed by the Industrial Tribunal Divulgat, whereby my application seeking to
Where it is?
page 58.
58.
Mary Road. Petition number 20 on behalf of management seeking to introduce the letter of authorization of SLT so and so of the managing that. So let's see, I want to introduce one authority letter that was rejected by the tribunal on the ground that it will fill up the lacuna of the case law. But Lordship, the law is very clear in this respect. The authority letter can be introduced anytime. This is nothing but an formal defect law that can be cured at any time. My application is at page 54. Lords. Page 54 is an application and page 57 is the authority letter.
Well, issue notice, that's all.
Lordship, here law is very clear. Lordship.
What can we do now?
Lordship, issue notice.
Let's hear,
No, Lordship,
let's hear them.
and in the meantime, Lordship, further proceeding may conduct.
What further proceeding?
further proceeding before the tribunal also. Because my application for authorization letter has been rejected. The law is very clear, Lord. Paragraph 9 and 10 of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Where is the next date?
Next date is 15
15 of what?
of this month.
Or Mr. S.C.K. Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
It's a paragraph 9 and 10. Paragraph 9, it is in case like the present where the suit are instituted or defended on behalf of the public corporation, public interest should not be permitted to be defeated on mere technicalities. Procedural defect which is not going to the root of the matter. should
It's a
not be-
tribunal.
Is a industrial tribunal.
It's not a court as such.
No appeal lies against this order.
No, it's a court. It's not a court as such.
No, it is
It's a tribunal.
tribunal, like a court lodge.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 2704.
23/3/26. 23/3/26.
2303, 2026, page 58, huh? Passed by whom? Passed by the
By the industrial tribunal, Dibrugarh
Industrial Tribunal, Dibrugarh.
lodge.
In what case number?
In reference case number
In reference case
1/D 2 of 2026. ID 2 of 2026.
2 of
2023 lot. Page 54 lot.
58 also.
58 also lot. 2 of 23 lot.
ID 2 of 2023, huh? Whereby the petition for leave to produce documents by the petitioner has been rejected. Rejected.
Lordship.
Cost has also been imposed.
Yes, Lord, that 700, we have in place, no?
Hmm?
On next date, a cost will be paid, Lord, so we are not taking away the cost. Lord.
Huh?
We are taking away a rejection of our application,
Hmm.
seeking to introduce the authority letter.
Will not agree by the cost.
We are not taking away the cost. Lord.
It is the contention of the petitioner that impugn order separates from patent illegality as it fails to appreciate that the procedural laws are intended to advance justice and not defeat it. The defect relating to authorization is curable in nature and could have been permitted to be rectified at any stage. Mr. Next para, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. You are appearing for, who else are appearing?
For one.
As Mr. Vijay Talukdar, learned senior counsel for state. Appears for the respondent number 1, no formal notice need be served, however, extra copies be furnished to the learned state council during the course of the day. List of next petitions to take the stage for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered for signs, huh? Oh, this it is a workman.
Yes, you want. Lordship, the dispute with
Workman, why
regard to his,
unnecessary?
no, Lordship, with regard to his date of retirement.
Huh?
Then he approached this honorable court, then matter was referred to tribunal to educate whether he is prematurely retired or not.
That's the management.
No prejudice will go to the petitioner.
The considering that considering the submissions of counsel for the petitioner and also considering that the issue of introduction of it's issue to produce documents by the leave of the court, public tribunal. I'm not convinced, in fact.
Lordship, here he will not be prejudiced. Lordship, we are, cost we are depositing, Lordship. But regarding Lordship, this is already decided by Supreme Court on many judgments that procedural defect can be cured at any time.
No, it's not all in sundry cases.
No, Lordship, here we want to, Lordship, because authority letter was not given at the time of cross-examination. Authority letter, only with respect to authority letter, is a curable defect, Lordship. It can be cured at any time.
How? So as.
Lordship may please to see judgment produced by me, Lordship. Paragraph 9 and 10.
No, it may be curable defect, but it's not all the, how, what does it say? The authorization is
Yes, Lord.
introduction of, or the
Lordship,
production of the documents like the authorization is a curable
yes, Lordship,
defect.
paragraph 10, last 5 lines from below, Lordship. Paragraph 10. It starts from a person may be expressly authorized. Lordship got.
Authorized to sign the pleadings.
Yes, Lordship.
On behalf of the
On
company,
behalf of
for
the
example, by
company.
board of
For
directors
example,
passing a
the board of
resolution to
directors
the-
passing a resolution
by a power of
that
attorney.
effect, or the power of attorney being
In
executed
absence thereof,
in favor of the
things
industry,
have been signed.
individual. In absence of thereof,
You see the-
here in cases where the pleadings have been signed by one of the officer of the corporation, can rectify the said action of its officer or signing the pleadings. Such rectification can be expressed or implied.
It's a case of recovery of money.
No, Lordship, here the issue is with regard to retirement date, Lordship. As per management, he was given a letter that you are.
No, in your case, it's a retirement, date of.
It is a date of retirement.
Now this, your case relied is a recovery of money
Yes, Lordship.
in a civil court.
Lordship, the law point is.
It's a civil court.
No, Lordship.
Tribunal is not, as such, is not.
No,
a-
Lordship, no appeal lies against the order passed by the London Tribunal. If the final order, Lordship, appeal lies to the High Court only. But here in this case, Lordship, the issue is whether my authority letter submitted subsequently can be
Okay,
accepted.
sorry, yeah. Senior counsel, Senior counsel assisted by Mr. So-and-so.
Agents. So Lordship, the issue is very small, Lordship, and Lordship, already Supreme Court has already decided this issue.
Yes, what do you say?
Authority letter can be submitted.
It's a purely a law point.
Law point, Lordship, may take up.
Whether the
some other thing.
authorization can be allowed to be produced or introduced at this belated stage.
That Lordship may grant me some time, my lord, some other day it may be taken up, it can. be
Then we'll have
disposed
to stay. Further proceedings will have to stay in that case. And then considering the submission from London Senior Council for the petitioner and also considering the that the issue of production of documents at a belated stage in the present case prima facie appears to be required as per the provision of the law, further proceedings of the so-and-so, reference case number so-and-so shall remain state in the next date.
Not so.
We'll just stay. Yes, sir.
My lord, I am the, I am a bank holder with the State Bank of India, Silchar, Kazakh district. My lord, the city bank account has been running since 2011. Suddenly, on 7/10/2025, I have my number has been blocked. I have been e stamp vendor. That's why my account it is there is transaction is
You go to Tamil Nadu, you go to Tamil Nadu.
my lord.
Notices issued by the Tamil Nadu police.
My lord, first notice it is been blocked by the Delhi police.
What do you want?
Delhi police, my lord. First of it was blocked. The bank account has been blocked by Delhi police. One
And
message has been received from on my sub inspector Ajit Singh, and ultimately we have communicated with that over telephone, but suddenly after suddenly on 23rd February 2026 received one notice has been received from Tamil Nadu, Three district.
go to Delhi High Court.
My lord, I am resident.
Notice issued by the Delhi,
My
the
lord,
police. How can
I'm-
we entertain in a writ petition?
My lord, I am
What do you want?
Yes, sir, but I don't.
Tell us what do you want from this court?
That's my lord. I am a resident of this, and I am.
You are agreed by the notices issued by Delhi police and the Tamil Nadu
No,
police.
my lord.
Huh.
I have submitted my bank statements. The allegation is that 1,46,000.
Whatever may be, how you are aggrieved? There is a case, wrongly or rightly, notice has been issued to you.
My lord.
On the basis of that, your bank account has been
Blo-
freezed,
I have cleared
locked
my
or whatever.
I have cleared and shown that no such illegal transaction has been taken place.
We don't know. That will be a matter of investigation.
But better investigation, but according to section 179.1, I mean, as I am a lady, they may ask me orally or through my video call or by local police. Its provision may be there, but yes, nothing has been, no transaction has been taken place from my account. So investigation.
What do you want,
I
sir?
want my lord, but that's been that the notices may be.
No, that we cannot. We don't have the territorial jurisdiction.
My lord, this one notice may be sent to the respondents,
You,
especially respondent number 2, so that they may show cause.
who is respondent number 2?
Especially respondent number 2, my lord.
Who is respondent number 2?
Inspector of Police, Cybercrime Police Station, Tamil Nadu.
Go to Tamil Nadu.
My lord, I am a resident of Assam, my lord.
Doesn't matter.
And a lady.
Doesn't matter. We don't have jurisdiction.
But no transaction has been taken place through my account.
No, it's not a question of transaction. You are agreed by the issuance of notice by the police of Tamil Nadu.
Yes, I have. They again and again they have been sending. I am clearing it, but that no transaction has been taken place. I have shown my bank account, my details from 1/5/2025 to for 6 months. 6 months bank accounts I have submitted, but if they don't believe, but they I have proceeded.
Ultimately, you are agreed by the notices issued by the Delhi, the Tamil Nadu police.
My lord, I have received this.
You are agreed by that. Your challenge is to
Yes,
that.
my lord.
So go to the Tamil Nadu, Madras High Court.
My lord, I am a lady. According to
Can't help it.
179, I am notice has been sent. And how
We
could I
cannot. We don't have the territorial jurisdiction.
It's impossible for me to move Tamil Nadu.
What can we do?
But notices may be sent to the respondent number 2, so that they may clear their.
Sir, not possible. Either I'll dismiss it or you withdraw it.
My lord,
It's a notice under what section?
Section 35,
35.
my lord.
Either withdraw or will dismiss your petition.
Wow. No, but transaction.
Choice is yours.
No such transaction has been taken place, my lord.
Whatever.
How could I clarify, my lord? Nothing has been.
See, you are agreed by the notices issued by the Tamil Nadu police.
Yes, my lord. They have been, they have sent two notices.
Therefore, you have a remedy.
Yes, my lord.
You have a remedy elsewhere,
They may,
not before this court.
they may already ask me or here the local
You
police.
think about it.
On an order may be passed, my
Heard
lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who phrased for some time to obtain instruction. Please stop. Accordingly, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. Think about it. I'm not dismissing,
My lord.
but it will be the same fate.
My lord.
Item 7.
Publish.
Yes.
May I please, Lord? This is also, my lord, against the freezing of my account, my lord, without any notice or without any, my lord, show cause or any kind of information. And an email was sent to the
Who is the respondent?
respondent, my lord, the bank and union, my lord,
Huh?
Bank of India and
We'll see. We should notice. Huh?
Lord,
Heard, Mr.
R. Ali, my lord.
R. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Bank of India.
Here also, agreed by the.
Here also, Malak, same thing, Malak, from
No, no, no.
Mumbai police, Malak.
No notice was sent
He's
here.
challenging the freezing.
Huh?
Agreed by the freezing of count being account number 5024101100010182 in the Bank of the Bank of India, Gwalpara branch. Come on, the petitioner. On when it was done? When it was freed?
14 people.
My lord, from the March 26, my lord. From the 14th
Then
March,
it's
my
okay.
lord.
Come on, this petition. No, on the basis of what? On the basis of?
On the basis of, my lord, a query, my lord, sent to the bank. In respect of rupees 10,000.
Where do you get it?
Page, my lord, 18,
18.
lordship. Page 18 and page 20, my lord, disputed amount, my lord, last communication. Page 20, my lord, the amount. The last one, my lord. On 14/3/2026, amount 10,000.
In connection with the cybercrime case registered number 31903206655894 dated 14/03/2026 at Cyber Police Station, Nagpur City. This petition is filed, huh? Next para. Mr. You are for Bank of India,
That's not enough. Five.
huh? Mr. Mr. K. Prasanth, CGC, enters appearance on behalf of an accept notice on respond number 5, Union of India. No formal notice necessary. However, extra copies be furnished. So the land council, land CGC. Right? Mr. Next, petitioners to take steps for service of notice approve 1 to 4, huh? Huh?
Police officer in such cyber
No, steps. You are appearing for 5 only. Rest you are not concerned.
No.
Huh?
No.
1 to 4, huh? 1, 2, 3, and 4, huh? Whereas post science.
Kindly short date, because she's suffering.
How
And
Nagpur police is there?
No, regarding
6 weeks.
regarding 3, my lord, we may be permitted to take by Dasti also. The
Huh?
branch manager, my lord. Regarding 3, my lord.
No, there is a response number 4 also. 4 weeks.
My lord, regarding 3, my lord, I am praying for Dasti also.
Huh? Then 3, Dusty.
Okay.
May I please your lordship? Sorry, petitioner before this honorable court to revoke the cancellation of the GST registration, my lord. Impugn order is, my lord, page number 33. From 8/3/2024, my lord. GST registration was cancelled, my lord. It's a covered matter, my lord. Page number 40, the similar or situated person has already been filed, my lord. My lord,
No issue. Heard MS?
M. Das.
M. Das, land counsel by the petitioner.
JP Moore,
And yeah.
on behalf of Mr. H. Chetia, the senior standing counsel CGST.
For all the respondents.
Court 2-3.
Who else are appearing then?
All the
1, 2, 3.
1 to 3.
Next para. Where is the impugn suspension and cancellation?
My lord, page number 33.
Thirty.
3, my lord.
Date of cancellation 8/3, huh?
8/3/2024.
The challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 08/03/2024 passed by the Assistant Commissioner of the State Tax, Gauhati, whereby the GST number of the petitioner being GSTI and UIN, page 33, 18A. Has been cancelled. Mr. Next pair. As having considered that the similar matter has been disposed of by this court in the case of, what is that case?
Page 14.
MS Lucky Priya Hazrika versus Union of India and others in WPC 5121 of 2025. And other subsequent orders, and dated 03/09/2025 and other similar writ petitions. And as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, this writ petition is heard and disposed of at the motion stage itself. Similar, you just
Lovely.
disposed. You remember that? Me for the way. Yes, may hold it. Page 42, similar.
Item 9.
Hello.
Wait, please,
Kanya
Your
mo dispose of naman kaya. Similar na yan. Basically, facts ko to run o kariswas ka, but facts ko di. Sorry.
Wait, please,
Yes,
Lordship.
madam.
Lordship, this petition is regarding illegally excavation of soil from the downstream area of Borgola Kahibari River Bridge, Your Lordship, without following any government rules, guidelines.
Oil PL. Not maintainable. Withdraw. And MS,
AM Hussain.
learn concept for the petitioner. Who fairly submits that, who after realizing that matters maybe matter pertains to protection of environment. Is it environment?
Lord,
Huh?
Lordship?
It's the environment protection.
Yes, sir.
Pertains to protection of environment. Comma. Fairly submits that she may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition to avail the appropriate remedy under the law. Mr.
I'm for respond number 2, 3, and 4.
You are for one.
One.
Mr.
KB Pathak.
KB Pathak, learned counsel. One is what?
Secretary Environment Forest Department.
Okay, standing counsel. Standing counsel of what?
Forest Department.
Forest Department. And Mr. J. Henry, learned. State counsel for?
2, 3, and
Respond number
4.
2, 3, and 4. Only 4 respondents. Are present. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on withdrawal with a liberty as prayed for.
Obliged.
Maybe.
Yes.
The matter regarding my lord, remission of the settlement amount, my lord.
Huh?
Regarding revision of the settlement amount. In this case, my lord, in remission
Huh?
of the settlement amount, my lord. In this case, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, participated in the settlement process, and being the, my lord, he highest bidder, the, my lord, launch guard, that is namely, my lord, Kokoranga to Dhubri launch guard morning was settled with him, my lord. And during his settlement period, my lord, due to, my lord, shifting of the launch guard from one place to another, and, my lord, due to, my lord, low water level, he suffered loss. Then, my lord, the difficulties was represented before the local panchayat authorities, that was not considered. And finally, my lord, he has submitted an application before the, my lord, government 121/4/2026. That is page 28, my lord. That is still, my lord, pending for consideration. And, my lord, this honorable court, my lord, passed similar order directing the, my lord, government to consider the, my lord, period of the petitioner within a scheduled time period. And, my lord, till such, my lord, disposal, no coercive action has been taken. That is page 30, my lord. My only period before lordship, my lord, my representation may be considered within a scheduled time period.
Where is
My-
your representation?
Page, my lord, 28, my lord.
Huh?
Page 28.
Twenty?
8.
Huh?
It was filed on, my lord, 21/4/2026 before the, my lord, principal secretary. And the
Yes, what do you say?
My lord, that can be considered, my lord, but they have filed only on 21/4/2026. Hardly 15 days, my lord.
You should wait for some time.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, since my lord, the settlement period is going on to expire,
Huh?
my lord, on 30th June, my lord. So, my lord, my lord, term has been, my lord, is going to, my lord, expire on 30th June.
That will automatically because
Yeah,
pension period is ending. my lord.
30th June,
Yes, my lord. So,
but
my
in
lord,
May, at least wait for 1 month.
my lord, lordship may kindly, my lord, directing the, my lord,
No, we just cannot keep like that. You withdraw, you come back if it is not done within 30 days. At least minimum reasonable time has to be given. 21/4.
21/4, my lord, because since my lord, he-
Give them a reasonable time. What's this? It will, lease period will over on by 30th June. We have enough time. Nearly 2 months. And you have filed the application on 21.
21, yes.
They don't, you know how the government machinery, I mean, it's a function.
And 21 through speed post.
Like state of Assam, the department's functions
Yes, my lord.
very lahe.
Lordship may kindly, my lord, keep, my lord, pending, my lord, for some time.
No. You
After 2 weeks, my lord, that may.
unnecessary way of burdening yourself, burdening the court, burdening the state. Withdraw. You come back after 1 month if it is not done.
My lord,
Withdraw. We'll give you a liberty.
My period, my lord, after 2 weeks.
No, we just cannot burden like this. See, you should have be reasonable. Sir,
My lord.
be reasonable.
But my lord, I think, my lord,
10 days, how can you expect them to
my
decide
term
they
is
are
going-
better? I mean, the representation. Withdraw. Come back. We'll give you a liberty.
Yes.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel for the petitioner who submits, who after realizing that the representation has been filed only on page 28,
Yes, my lord, 21.
21/04/2026, comma.
28.
Consider for consideration for remission or extension of lease period of in respect of release of Kokradanga to Dhubri launch guard under Pelar Char GP.
Lordship, may kindly, my lord, mention the morning, my lord. Morning.
Within bracket morning, yeah, under page 28. Yeah. Pelar Char GP in South Maharashtra, South Salmara Mankesar, Assam. Submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this with petition with the liberty to file afresh in future if occasion arises. Stuff. Next para. Mr. S. Dr. Leonard, Standing Counsel, Revenue Department. PNRD, sorry, is present. Next para. Consider that the representation for remission of extension has been filed on 20. It was to have been filed on 21/04/2026, and barely 15 days has elapsed, comma, the prayer for release accepted. Accordingly, the writ petition stands closed on with a liberty as prayed for.
Next
Item
item-
11 also.
11 also same, but evening.
It is evening.
Huh?
Same guard?
Same guard.
Yes,
Same
same
guard,
guard,
evening.
Evening, in between evening. Page
Page 28.
28.
Evening.
Item 11 also.
Yes,
Yes,
Same guard. Different
evening,
topic.
morning and evening.
morning and evening.
Hello.
Closed.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, we have challenged the, my lord, rejection order
Of what?
issued by the, my lord, respondent authorities
What rejection?
as well as the minutes, my lord.
What
issued by-
rejection?
My lord,
What has been rejected?
yes. Now lordship kindly see at phase, my lord, 37 first.
Page 37.
Yes. Page 37, my lord. It says, my lord, just simply
Page
says, my lord,
37.
37,
Huh.
rejected,
37.
37.
Rejected of what?
Yes, my lord, rejected by the CO circle officer. Possession of land is disputed. Now we are still in, my lord, possession. They say, my lord, possession is disputed. Now lordship kindly see prior to that, my lord, allotment order, one of the allotment order we have annexed, my lord, page 33, my lord. Page 33. Page 33, my lord, this is, my lord, translated copy, my lord. It says, my lord, Umar Ali, one of the petitioner, my lord. The below noted scheduled land has been allotted to you for occupation by constructing dwelling houses in terms and conditions mentioned in the reverse. Schedule, the number so and so, area 1 biga. This is the land and terms and condition. Now suddenly, my lord, they have, my lord, rejected the, my lord, allotment, saying that possession of the land is disputed.
Yes.
Now, if lordship sees my lord, my lord,
Then, my lord, we have challenged the, my lord, minutes, my lord.
kindly,
That your lordship will-
kindly see page 33. If I may submit, my lord.
Yes.
This is the alleged allotment letter on which they are harping. It is on the strength of this document, my lord, that the petitioners claim they are in occupation of the disputed land. Lordship will kindly see, my lord, the terms and conditions incorporated in the allotment letter. But you must live in the said land personally, so and so. You cannot transfer the land to any other person in any other matter. Number 3 is most important. You should pay the Tauzi Bahira revenue of the allotted land regularly. Now, Tauzi Bahira revenue, lordship is well aware, my lord, it is in the nature of a fine. It is a fine. These are government land.
Toji Bahira.
Tauzi Bahira. Tauzi Bahira, it is, my lord, a penalty. I am a person, I claim myself to be a landless person. I come into occupation over a fertile parcel of government land. I have no authority, but the government says, okay, you for the timing you reside, but you have to pay penalty. This is what exactly Tauzi Bahira revenue means. So they have no indefeasible right over the land in question. That is, my lord, established from this document. Now, lordship will kindly see, my lord, page 37. Kindly see page 37. They have, my lord, made applications in online mode, seeking settlement of the land in question. Because earlier, what lordship has seen, my lord, at page, my lord, 33, this is only, my lord, conditional allotment. It is only a conditional order that for the timing you reside there, you have to oblige by these conditions, abide by these conditions. Now, having come into occupation over the government land, they have now, my lord, prayed for granting them settlement. Now that settlement proposal was rejected on the ground, my lord, that the possession of the land is disputed. I am going by the, my lord, documents. Now lordship will kindly see, my lord, the meeting, minutes of meeting. Lordship will kindly come to page 44. But how, my lord, the facts have progressed. Let us see the genealogy of the facts, my lord.
44.
Page 44. This is the minutes of the CDLSC meeting. CDLSC, my lord, Co-District Land Advisory Committee meeting. Now, this is a committee, my lord. It is in the nature of they, my lord, perform functions of.
Will issue notice at best today?
Yes, issue notice.
But yes, my lord, that is
That's
fine, my
all.
lord. But in an identical case, my lord, many petitioners approached this honorable court, and this, my lord, honorable court, by the coordinate bench, my lord, issued notice and also pleased to pass an interim protection to the petitioner. Now, lordship kindly see at page 70. one of the, my lord, writ petition we have annexed, my lord, order, page 70, my lord.
Same area.
Yes, same area, same issue.
In over.
And, my lord, page 75, lordship will find, page 75, paragraph 14. Page 75, paragraph 14, my lord, continuation. Till the next date of listing as the interim measure, it is directed that the 17 petitioners shall not be evicted from their land, which is especially described in the notice dated so and so, so and so, so and so.
In that case, notice was issued. Here, no notice has been issued.
Yes. In that case, my lord, notice has been issued, my lord.
Now,
So-
my lord, several writ petitions are pending
Hmm.
on the same issue. In some cases, my lord, one or two solitary cases, this interim order has been given by this honorable court. In all other cases, no interim. Because, my lord, the dictum pronounced by this honorable court in Salakuddin, my lord, that is a reference court decision, my lord, authorities have duly followed. Lordship will kindly see, my lord, the petitioner.
No, you will issue notice.
Yes.
There's no eviction. In that
And-
case,
and-
there's a notice was issued for
Yes,
eviction.
and my lord, most importantly,
Directed
that
17 members shall not be from the law which is described in a notice under memo issued by the individual. Here, notice was issued.
Yes, notice
In
was
a
issued.
particular.
But we are
In
not
your
given
case,
any,
you have not been received.
we have not given any notice, my lord.
So, if the notice is issued, you come back. We'll see.
now, my lord, most importantly, if I beg to submit, my lord, this land is required for, my lord, commissioning a power project that is of national importance. Now, here is a case, my lord, where there is a conflict of between, my lord, private interest and public interest. So naturally, public interest will prevail, my lord, in my respectful submission. They cannot stall a project, my lord. It is of national importance. Kindly see, my lord, the minutes of
So,
the.
we're not passing any
Yes,
order
yes,
today.
my lord. I'm so grateful, my.
Heard,
I'm so
Mr.
grateful.
MU Mondal.
M.U. Mondal, non-counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners,
Petitioners,
how many?
39.
Next para. This petition is filed agreed on being agreed by the agreed by the orders of the respondent agreed by the rejection of settlement of land measuring 1 biga each for the petitioners at village Sarva Baka Jungle Block under Chapar Revenue Circle in the district of Dhubri,
Dhubri, my lord.
Assam. By minutes of meeting dated 26/03/2025 and 02/04/2025 by the. But this is Co-District Land Advisory Committee.
Yes, my lord. Co-district land
Co-District
advisory
Land
committee.
Advisory
CDLS,
Vilasipara.
my lord.
And the speaking order dated 21/04/2025. Where is that notice?
My lord,
Notice is there.
yes, notice, my lord, on notice, my lord, issued to other person, but we have not given. Page 69, lordship will
We
find.
were not given, what can we do?
Page 69, my lord.
And the order of rejection dated 11/08/2023 and 24/7/2025 by the Circle Officer, Chapar Revenue Division, as a circle under Basundhara scheme. And the proposed as well as the allotment of 30,000 bigas
Yes,
of land in favor of the Assam Power Distribution Company Limited. This petition agreed by the settlement. So what? Oh, yeah, take Mr. Yes, I think it's been little long, it was right here. Next paragraph, it is the contention of the petitioner that they are the landless
people.
who are in who are in occupation of the land for their own. For what purpose?
Malata, homestead land, only.
Occupation
1 biga each.
of the homestead land measuring 1 biga each.
Yes.
Mr. These land were allotted to your parents.
Parents.
Okay. On the basis of the allotment made to the allotment given to the
Grandparents, parents, etc.
they granted to their
Predecessor in interest.
parents, parents and grandparents.
Predecessor in interest.
Huh?
Predecessor in interest, madam. There.
Next paragraph. The petitioner, being the landless people, are entitled to be allotted the land for the homestead in accordance with the as per the relevant provisions of rules.
No, my lord, it is a relevant provision of the land policy prevailing at that point of time.
Land policy prevalent in the state. Next paragraph.
These allotments were conditional, my lord. Conditional allotment.
No, that is their submission.
Yes, madam.
We are not passing interim order, therefore we'll just issue notice.
Absolutely, my
Issue
lord. I'm
notice.
so grateful.
Returnable of 4 weeks. As Mr. Pujari learned. Standing Council.
Standing Council Revenue, my lord.
Revenue.
I appear for respondent number 2, my lord.
Respondent 2. Who else? One is Chief Secretary.
I appear on behalf of respondent 1, 3, 4, 5, and 8.
J. Hendik. 1,
1, 3, 4, 5,
4, 5,
7, and 8.
7 and 8.
I am for respondent number 6.
Then Arbor Pujari. For number Standing Council Pujari. Then Mr. Pathak.
Respondent number 6.
JP Pathak, that is Standing Council for APDC for respondent 6. Enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondent, not forming notice, I would accept copy with public. That's all.
Malata, may I pray, Malata, till then status quo as on today may maintain.
It has been allotted already.
They have
APDC.
allotted, my lord. They have already my lord, begun, my lord, initial my lord, construction works. It's a my lord, project of national importance. It's a
You are not
power
there.
project, my lord.
My lord.
You are no longer there.
Yes, we are in possession, my lord. We are in possession.
How they can start the construction?
Not yet, my lord. Not yet, my lord.
That
There is
what
a various litigation is pending
We'll see.
that
before
is,
this honorable court.
Okay, thank
Now,
you.
till then, at least status quo order,
no, my lord, it is
otherwise, my lord,
disputed.
competency of the, my lord,
Huh?
otherwise, the, my lord, competency of the landed Angus advocate in a various advocates will be questioned.
That
Because in
submission,
earlier cases, Lordship was pleased to pass an
This
interim
cannot-
order.
Very
In my
surprising.
cases,
Very surprising.
at
In
least-
this case, their case, the case which you have annexed,
my lord,
there was a eviction notice was there. Notices were there.
Factually, it
in-
is altogether different, my lord.
in my case
Notices were
also,
there.
my lord, similarly situated person,
You have not been shown any notice.
we have not
of
given any
eviction.
notice.
Then
But we are apprehending, my lord, since similarly person have been given
you may
notice, my
not
lord,
be evicted.
That
will
notice,
also
You
get.
cannot be evicted without notice.
That is why, my
That's
lord,
the law.
and that
till the
notice,
returnable date, status quo as on today
And
shall be maintained.
this court especially really care for the competency of the lawyers. I respect the competence. All of you are competent enough.
Now, since
Tell
coordinate
your
means,
client.
since
Court has recognized your lawyer's competence, appreciated, highly competent. Yes,
I'm so
Malad,
obliged. to you.
at least Malad, status as on today, Malad, with regard to the Malad,
No, my
if
lord,
there
because
is
that
imminent the eviction, if the eviction is not come back, we'll see.
that stage has not yet reached, my lord.
Okay.
The stage of, they have been given a notice in the nature of show cause. They will have to show cause. They will have to participate in
we-
hearing.
Normally, court don't take cognizance of what is reported and on personal knowledge, unless
Yes.
this is brought before the court.
Yes.
But in some certain cases, it needs to be, I mean, considered,
now status order,
especially when
Malad,
the highly competent lawyer like Mandal is appearing.
Malad, my humble submission, status order will not affect anybody. Who are in possession, Malad, they will continue.
Come back when there's anything, I mean,
Then in the, may I pray, Malad, in the next returnable date, Malad, Lordship may observe, Malad, interim prayer may will be considered, Malad.
you always
That
can
can-
renew. We have not rejected anything. We
That-
have not passed anything.
That
rejecting
observation may
order.
be given, Malad.
No issue, we'll consider. We'll consider.
Malad.
May I please, Judge? I'm sorry, my lord. I have made a wrong statement, my lord. In item number 8, my lord, state has passed the order, my lord. I have wrongly made central
Yes.
as a party, central GST, my lord. So, my lord, may kindly allow me to withdraw with liberty so that I can file fresh.
Which one? Item 8?
Yes, Lordship, in item
Item
8.
8, what we say?
My lord,
What do we have said?
Lordship, actually, in item 8, the impugn order was passed by the state GST.
Ah,
They made a party central
central
GST.
GST.
The state GST is the correct party here.
item 8. It will in fact dispose of, huh? Withdraw.
My lord, with liberty,
MS Das.
my lord.
M. Das learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to file FS. Mr. So and so,
JP
sir,
More Lordship, on behalf of Mr. H. Chetia, Senior
Is
Attorney Counsel,
present.
CGST.
accordingly, writ persistence was not withdrawn with a liberty as paid for. Just inform us. Otherwise, you'll be stuck. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
What is this?
May I please, your lordship?
We'll
Lord,
issue notice.
My lord.
We'll issue notice,
Yes,
that's all.
my lord.
You are already demolished.
We are already evicted, my lord.
Evicted,
Demolished,
demolished.
but the, my lord,
Yes.
they are there, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
My lord.
Yes, sir, Bhuya, learned, A.R. Bhuya, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr.
Yes, Abdullah.
Learned counsel for the petitioners. This petition is filed against the demolition of the structure of the petitioners by the revenue authority, Azara, Kamrup within bracket Metro. What is your prayer here?
My lord, the prayer is that the by which notification, my lord,
Page 53.
page 53 is the prayer starts, my lord.
Hmm.
They have challenged the notification, my lord, by which that tribal bell has been constituted way back in the year 1950.
Yes. 1950.
My lord.
Yes.
Not the entire
The
area, my lord, the particular villages
next paragraph.
wherein we are residing.
Petitioner claims to have purchased a land located at Patta number 32
My lord.
of village Wachiani,
Pasonia Para, my lord.
Wasionia Para under
Ano?
Dakin Rani
My
Raja in the district of Kamrup within Metro. And subsequently, their name have been included in the Jama Badli. Other relevant records. Next para, and then pursuant to the eviction notice that is 2509/2025 issued to the petitioners. To vacate the land as the same falls under the South Kamrup travel belt. In terms of the notification,
Yes,
this
in terms
South
of
belt is in terms of notification.
dated 27 to 19.
Notification dated 25/02/1950.
27/02 to 1950.
1950. The petitioners have been evicted from the said land. Next parent. The petitioner seeks to challenge the notification dated 27/04 to 1950, whereby the land
My lord, the area wherein we are residing had
the-
been
the
wrongly
land-
included in the
the
ballot
land-
area.
on which the petitioners are residing have been included. List of. That's all.
My lord, we have an interim prayer.
What interim?
My lord, these similarly situated evicted persons, my lord, have been given the benefits, my lord, of some temporary measures, my lord, is at page 292, my lord.
292,
my lord. Paragraph 16. Just to right to livelihood and right to education has been taken care of under Article 21, my lord. Though evicted, they being the citizens, my lord, these benefits directed to be given, my lord.
90?
My lord, 292 of my writ petition, my lord. Paragraph 16 of the order passed by this honorable court, my lord.
It's a similar matter.
Similar matter, my lord.
No.
No, my lord, it is a matter relating to eviction. The area wherein this land falls, my lord, is belong to Hasila Para, is a, my lord, wetland area, and this is, they are claiming that this is.
This
a
wetland area.
Wetland area is a bill.
This
my
is
lord.
the case which you have prepared.
This order reflects to that, my lord, but already this person has been similarly evicted by the.
But then
state, my lord.
in your case, it is the land falls under the travel belt.
No, it is, my lord, that is
Travel
admitted, that is admitted.
We'll see.
But
Let
my
them
lord,
take it.
but my lord, may kindly
Issue notice
consider the,
returnable
kindly,
by-
No,
Returnable by 4 weeks.
my lord.
As Mr. Who else, sir? All of them. All are represented. Just
My-
keep your name. If you enters, if you accept notice on behalf of all the rest, so no permit notice need be served. Our exec office be so and so.
My lord, why I am making the prayer of interim, my lord, because.
Interim
the-
order passed, interim order shall be considered
Mile.
on the next returnable day.
Mile. Oblige.
This is over. Motion is over.
My lord, this is also eviction, but this is a forest land, my lord. We have already been evicted, my lord. And my friend is appearing, my lord. Similar petition has also been filed, my lord.
Yes.
So,
They are fixed on Tuesday, your lordship, before court number 10.
huh?
They are fixed
No,
on Tuesday
Similar.
on the same reserve forest.
My lord, same reserve forest, my lord, but those matters are still not being evicted, those petitioners, but this batch of petitioners, my lord, has already been evicted and we are now just, my lord, scattered here and there, so we want our rehabilitation and other benefits, my lord. Along with challenge to the eviction
Then
process.
notice may go, your lord. If it is
Mile.
not similar, then notice may go.
It is not similar, my lord, because we,
Otherwise-
this batch has already been evicted and those batch my respected friend relying on, my lord, has not yet been evicted.
Heard Mr. A. Buya, by the senior counsel assisted by so and so learned counsel for the petitioners. Uh, challenging the petitioner challenges the
Prayer, my lord.
challenge the demolition of the house structure by the forest authority, South Nagaon division, Hojai,
Hujai, my lord.
South Nagaon division,
My lord,
Hojai.
South Nagaon division, Hujai, my lord.
Next para. You are encroacher or what?
My lord, it is their contention that we were encroachers, but we were residing in a, my lord, some people are residing on patta land, my lord. They have said that those pattas have been subsequently cancelled, my lord. But we have not been informed.
Petitioner, next para. It is the contention of the petitioners that the petitioners are in the lawful possession of the land, which is not which is neither a forest land nor a government revenue land. The eviction and demolition of the eviction of the petitioners by resorting to demolition of the house structure of the petitioner is against the principle of natural justice. And no, is illegal, as no procedure has been followed before eviction and demolition of the petitioner. Eviction of the petitioner. Next para. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. Only Forest Department.
No, my revenue is also part.
Revenue is
Revenue.
not-
All of them. You take their name. No problem. Issuance of permanent notice is dispensed with. Our extra copies.
My lord, that the interim prayer may be considered, my lord. Similar
What
prayer.
in prayer? You have been already
No, no.
evicted.
My lord, like the earlier one, just item 36.
Okay, interim prayer shall be considered on the next returnable day.
My lord.
Is it going? Yes.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, it is a land acquisition matters. So Lordship, it is, as of now, the respondent authority has not filed the affidavit.
Yes. Who respondent? Respondent number? State.
State, Lordship. And so if it is filed, Lordship, the service copy is not furnished to me.
Yes. Affidavit, respond number 5. Who is respond number 5?
I am appearing for the respondent number 5 to 11,
You are private party.
private party.
And I am for the respondent number 17 to 22, my
You are also private. Party.
private respondent.
Yes.
Yes. What is the dispute?
Dispute,
There is
Lordship,
a
In
dispute
terms of-
regarding ownership.
in terms
ownership.
of apportionment of share, Lordships.
Huh.
So as per provisions,
What has been passed?
yeah,
Under which provision?
award,
2013
no, 1964,
and 60
land acquisition by 1964.
requisition.
Yeah.
Huh.
So Lordship.
There's
in
no
the-
reference. There's no provision for reference.
Yeah, reference is there. That is why, this is the case, Lordship.
Reference has been made.
Lordship, when there is a dispute in terms of.
No, there was a reference.
Reference, yes. My prayer is there to direct the respondent authority to send the matters to the reference code.
Have you applied for reference?
Not applied.
Then you have to apply. You have to file an application
No, actually,
to the
Lordship, what happened-
collector
before.
for
respondent-
reference.
Lordship,
See, Requisition Act. Under which section?
section, Lordship, as per section 30 and 12 of the Land Acquisition Act. When
Huh?
there is a dispute in terms of apportionment, the respondent
Sir,
authority.
I'm asking, its land has been acquired under 64.
Under
Requisition
64,
Act.
yes, 1964.
Is there any provision for reference?
Yes, provision is there.
What is the section?
Section 30,
30.
yeah, section 30, Lordship.
1964.
1964.
Are you sure?
Yes, here.
So as. Then requisition.
If I may,
Requisition, Assam land
if
requisition.
I may, Lordship,
Yes,
the petitioners' names were not in the chitas and the patras.
huh?
The petitioners before this honorable court, they were not patras.
They are not paternal.
No matter, records will reveal. So what happened when they went to the ADC with an objection against the compensation to be paid to us? Then the ADC rejected the order and Lordship will see the impugned order,
Page
43.
43 of writ petition.
Yes.
Mohini,
Mohini Kalita.
Mohini Kalita.
who is the petitioner here? Anil Chandra Kalita.
Mohini Kalita.
Mohini Kalita and Konak Kalita.
Huh? Yes,
Petitioners,
the objector Mohini Kalita has claimed that she is entitled to get a share of acquisition from Minar Ali and others. On basis of record, seen Minar not a paternal of Dagnam so and so on the village Garal after the date of that further. So what is this? Work further. Next page is what? Huh? 43?
43 and 44.
43 and 44 the
44.
typed order, madam.
No, no.
45
Live
is
copy
the
of the year.
vernacular
After the
order.
death of her father, Kameshwar, then names of her brother, what is it?
The land to the minerally
Hmm.
and other beneficiary. So madam, their name is not in the land which was acquired. And it was long back, my lord. They have not filed any objection also.
Lordship, the provision, section 18 of the SAID Act says whenever any person has the interested with the.
How you are
property-
interested? You are no longer a owner of the, you
Yes,
don't have any
Lordship, we are the
right of
person.
the land.
We are the co-personers. We never sold.
No,
the
no,
property.
father has sold it. And your name is not record, you are
Repeat-
shown as Patadar.
Yeah, I may not, my name may not be muted, Lordship. My right is there because.
What
we are-
right? Your
What right?
father has sold
Right is
the
inherited from
land.
our ancestral property, Lordship.
Sir, your
Yeah.
father has already sold it off.
Not, no, Lordship. There are 15 co-personers. Out of that, if 3 or 4 of them sold the property without following the due diligence, without the operation of law, how it is exist?
You, as
I
you
just-
said, you do it
That is-
you do it before the civil court, that
That is where, Lordship, that is,
until the time that is
They
settled
did
by the
not-
appropriate
They did
forum,
not hesitate the
You
matter
cannot
before the
claim.
civil court.
go through civil court.
At that point of time, they did not even challenge the mutation of the, I
Yes.
mean, the other private respondents.
that we have came to know whenever the notice from the competent authorities.
Sorry.
And one more thing, Lordship, this is an appealable order. They ought to have gone to the Board of Revenue under section 147A. Why they have come to this read court?
Because my right is there also, mutation is near, my right is there came
Yes, and
into
also
exist
the
after
ED says
that.
that is
No,
an
Lordship.
appealable order, they ought to have gone to the Board of Revenue under section 147A.
This is not apportionment because you are not entitled at all until you establish that you are the share in the property.
Lordship, this is. the
As per the record, you are not a patadar, you are no, you have no title over the land. Your father has sold off it to some Ali.
Lordship, that the
The-
person who has shown the purchased the land from the
Then
heirs of
you-
Kameshwar Kalita.
You go to the civil court, sorry.
Lordship, it is a fit case for the reference court, Lordships.
My lord,
Reference court, Lordships.
You cannot be a aggrieved person. Or, sorry, interested person. Until the time you have the share in the land,
It is our ancestral
that is
property,
your
Lordship.
claim, that has been sold off. As per the
This is-
record, wrongly or rightly, that has been
Lordship,
sold off.
this is the ancestral
Have you
property.
challenged that? Have you challenged the sale of the property?
We have came to know whenever the notice.
Whether you have come to know or not, you
Lordship, we
you have a
are not aware of
remedy.
that.
If
Lordship,
you think that it was not properly sold off, or it was not as a sale in under the law,
Lord-
in accordance with the law, then you have a remedy.
Lordship, it has done behind
Not
the
to
back of,
before that.
behind the back
State
of
court.
other corporations, Lordship, behind the back of. We are not aware of.
Who has stopped you from challenging you? The moment you come to know that, you go to the appropriate court. This compensation we cannot interfere. And then the ADC or what?
yes, my lord.
Rightly rejected your claim.
Lord, Lordship,
Yes, why no affidavit is filed by the state? What dismissing your representative? No.
We have filed a affidavit of
Lordship, this is the ancestral property. It is
What can we do? That has been
Lordship,
sold
the
off.
person who
There is a
has,
sale deed.
Lordship,
Record has been corrected.
Sale-
If
sale-
it has been done illegally or not as per the law, you challenge that.
Lordship,
You have
there
to
are,
challenge that. Sorry.
Lordship, there are 15 corporationers.
Ha.
Out of that, if three
You
of
go
them,
there, go to the appropriate forum, challenge all those things, get the relief, then come to the compensation.
They should have gone to the Board of Revenue against the ADC's order, lordship.
Lordship, if out of the 15 corporationers,
Sir, don't repeat it again. It's of no relevancy now. You may be, but facts remain that legally or illegally this has been alienated.
Lordship,
Alienated to some other
Our
person who is
mutation-
having the, title now. And that has been acquired, compensation is ready.
Lordship, our mutation may not be there, but mere mutation Lordship doesn't create right
There is-
or extinguish the right.
There is a cell. The moment you came to know, maybe behind your back, illegally, legally, whatever, you have a
Lo-
right to challenge
Lordship, the
do
moment,
all those actions before the appropriate forum.
Lordship, the moment notice is issued from the competent authority for requisition, that they only came to know
Then
that this is the things happened.
you have not challenged that.
That immediately we have filed an objection because when-
Objection, it will not do. Objection, it has been considered and
immediately,
rejected.
Lordship, immediately we have filed an objection under provision section 18 of the Act.
Are you getting me?
Yes, Lordship.
Then the moment you came to know, you have the remedy before the appropriate forum to agitate that, to challenge that. Right?
Right, Lordship. Lordship,
Maybe illegally, land has
9
been
years
there,
of
but it has been sold
After knowledge.
by your father, maybe illegally. That you could have challenged that.
Lordship, the moment we came to know, we have filed an objection petition. not to-
They cannot. This rightly been considered because it has been sold. The
Lordship, sold 3 of the corporations out of 15.
Huh.
So this is being the undivided property. Undivided property,
So it could not. It could
share
not-
may be specific,
Yes, that
may
could-
be equal, but possession
That
not
could not
specific.
have been sold, right? Huh? That could not have been
Out-
sold.
Lordship, out of 15,
Huh?
3 of the corporation has sold out the property, allegedly,
Huh?
behind the back of other corporations.
Huh?
So
Then-
when behind the back of other corporations, some portion of property is sold out, it is.
Who will
we
decide
don't-
that?
Lordship,
Whether the sale is illegal or legal, who will decide that?
Civil court.
it will be decided by civil court.
Then,
But things is that the moment we have filed the objection petition, that objection petition has rejected.
because document says so.
Lordship, document says only 3 person has sold the property
Ah.
out of 15.
Ah,
Out of 15, Lordship.
then,
Out of 15, Lordship.
then
So the rest of the person has the right
we don't know.
to get the compensation.
We don't know. While sitting in a writ court, we cannot, we're not on appeal also. It's not an appeal. Is it an appeal?
It is not an appeal, Lordship.
It's a writ petition.
Yeah, writ petition, Lordship.
We cannot.
Because
Maybe,
our-
let us,
Our right to.
for a
get-
time being, let us or assume that this sale was legal or illegal. Then what can be done?
Lordship, our right to get the compensation because our property has been acquired.
See, until the time whether this is legal or illegal, facts remain that this has been solved.
Lordship, it is apparently,
How do we interfere? You may have cases. You
my,
may have the genuine cases, but
Let's-
then as a writ court, we cannot have.
Lordships, my point is that the instead.
Your point is
in-
irrelevant.
Lordship, instead of rejecting my objection petition not to release the compensation, the dispute in terms of apportionment of compensation, the competent authority could have sent this matter to reference court. That has not done. So instead, they passed this arbitrary order.
Well, arbitrary.
Arbitrary, Lordship.
This is no arbitrary.
Arbitrary, Lordships. Because provision says that when dispute in terms of apportionment matters should be sent to the reference court for determination of the same. Instead that the respondent authority reject my petitions. This order is totally arbitrary. And this is the case, my lordships.
Have you made an application for reference?
I didn't mention, lordship.
So how can
Because
this be
I-
referred? You
because
have
my
just filed
challenge
an
is the
objection.
My challenge is the order,
Objection is not an application for reference.
lordship.
I mean,
My
I waited-
case is against the,
Heard, Mister.
against the
Mister,
order only, against
please,
the arbitrary order.
your name, please.
P. Kalita, lordship.
P. Kolita, learn counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners,
My objection only
Mr.
against the arbitrary order, lordships.
Mr. So and so
Mr. A.K. Das,
appears for
17 to 22, private respondent.
one is what? Who is one?
I said 5 to 12.
5 to 12 and
to
then
11.
17, 7 to
17 to 20.
17 to 22 and then 12, 13, 14. Are present who have submitted that they have filed their respective affidavits in opposition. Next para. Mr. G. Hazrikal, London Standing Council Revenue Department and Mr. J. Hending, London State Council is granted further 4 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Have you received the compensation?
No,
No.
because of this case, even though they
Is
don't
there
have a
is
stay,
there any interim
we are-
order?
the amount has been held
Interim
back.
order is there.
No,
No
There's
stay
no
order.
interim
is there.
order.
state is not.
There's no interim order.
No order.
Time.
Okay. You ask, go and receive it.
Now, we have already paid also. It's
Ah,
with me.
Lordships, when litigation is on, the payment of respondent authority cannot release the payment because this litigation is going on before this honorable.
Is there any interim order? Not
Intermediate is
to
not there.
disperse?
Lordship,
That
intermediate
is
order
the-
is not
that is
there.
the
See, you are-
interim month.
See, you are agitating the matter before the, instead of going to appropriate forum, you are unnecessarily agitating before this court. Nothing will happen.
19 to 22 लिखिएगा.
There's nothing. You have not filed reference. You have not challenged those sale.
I could have challenged the sale deed, lordship, because I came to know only when notices.
When
came from the-
was the notice?
notice, it was acquisition notice, lordships. When acquisition notice.
When it was?
21.
21. Immediately you could have challenged that.
Yes, ma'am.
Immediately you could have, see, I'll tell you. For the betterment of, for the interest of the litigants, the petitioners,
Yes.
you are unnecessarily pursuing this matter. Nothing will come out. You will not get any relief. It will be dismissed. I can dismiss it today. But then I'm just, indicating you. I can dismiss it today. Nothing is there. Neither you have, you did not avail the remedy available to you. You are unnecessary injecting. That is why I'm saying nothing has been done. Listing it, we are listing after 4 weeks. In the meantime, the so and so, what I said. In the mean, you think about it.
Small submission, my lord.
Sir, you appears to be a seasoned lawyer. How many years of practice, sir? Don't take it other way. How many years of practice?
So I have been in 15 years, lordship.
15 years is enough. Enough.
Lordship, as per provisions, I have came before these lordships. Provision is there, lordships.
You are eligible to be considered for elevation to the High Court judge. You have crossed 10 years.
This case only, lordship, only.
Think
challenge
about
the-
it. You think about the interest of your the client. Pursuing this matter will not serve any purpose. Will not get any relief. Nothing. We'll make it 3 weeks. Think about and avail the remedy. I'm not supposed to, give sermons and advices to the learned lawyers. Still then I find it, I'm really pained to see such type of litigations. All right.
Lordship will also make an observation whether this writ petition is maintainable or not.
We'll see. Mr. Kalita is not ready to,
Lordship,
he's pretending not to understand.
no.
These all
Lordship.
remedies are gone, lordship. These all
He's-
remedies are
he's-
gone. He cannot challenge that
He-
sale also.
he's-
It
he-
is debarred.
He's
By
showing the true craft of
No, lordship.
lawyership.
That is not, lordship. That is not at all,
It's
because,
a true craft.
because if,
We are suffering, lordship.
if some of the corporation.
Okay, 3 weeks. Sorry. Thank you.
Hello.
Lordship.
Mr. Borua.
Yes, my lordship.
Yes.
My lord, the case of the petitioner was that there were certain fraudulent withdrawals from his account. He had visited our ATM and then his account card got stuck in the machine. And later on, he came to know that some money were withdrawn from his account. He approached us, your lordship, then we checked out the account statements. Then, your lordship, we found. Am I not audible? Oh,
Use the mic.
yes, yes. Say it's there. My lordship, my lordship, then we made an inquiry and we found that the transaction, there were 4 withdrawals, were done in the ATM belonging to a different bank, IndusInd Bank ATM. And 1 withdrawal was done in some POS, some vending shop. Accordingly, my lordship, we gave him a reply that you were not eligible for refund as these transactions didn't happen in our ATM. Later on, the petitioner, he had filed an FIR before the police. The honorable court had directed the police to give a report in this matter. If your lordship would go and check the report filed by the police, it shows that they haven't conducted any inquiry in this matter, my lord. Now, our assertion is that the whole transactions took place in a different ATM, which was not within our control. We cannot go and ask for the CCTV footage of a different bank. This was the absolute duty of the police investigating officer, my lord. If they would have done the investigation properly, then this thing could have come up actually what transpired that day. They have neither given a case diary nor any status inquiry as to what they had done. Because this involves alleged criminality, because the allegation that has been brought by the
Who has
petitioner.
filed the FIR?
He had filed an FIR, the petitioner. So the
No inquiry,
no inquiry,
no
by the police.
investigation, nothing.
No, nothing, my lordship. What they have given, if they have
So
given a
on,
report.
on what, then on what basis you have rejected? Ombudsman, what is the ground of rejection?
From SBI, the ground of rejection was that the transaction did not take place in our bank ATM. It took place in a different ATM, in an Industrial Bank ATM, and the account statement shows that. And we had furnished in the account statement as well, whereby it was reflected that the amounts were done, the transactions were done outside of our jurisdiction. It was not in our ATM. So we thought that this is not a fit case for,
What is the liability? Suppose if it is permissible, the ATM can be used and in some other ATM
Yes, my lord.
other than the bank
Yes, my
who
lord.
has issued that ATM.
Yes, my lord.
What is your liability? You
my lord,
don't,
our
you don't
liability-
on any responsibility.
No, we do have responsibility, my lord.
Then
But then our submission is that
how you can if you don't have the responsibility, how can you allow the ATM to be used in other
that's
ATM
not-
of the
no,
bank?
my lord, our
Other-
humble submission for your lordship is that the use of an ATM card requires two things: the card itself in its physical form and a PIN number. PIN number is only known to the person who owns the card. Now, for a person to use their ATM as alleged by the petitioner, then the PIN number must have been compromised by the petitioner himself, because the bank cannot be held responsible for the loss of a ATM PIN by any client of the bank. Our submission, Your Honor, is that how can the person, if allegedly it had happened, how can the person be in custody of the PIN number belonging to the petitioner? That is our only submission, my lord. And since that transaction did not take place in our ATM, we cannot go and investigate the ATM of another branch. That was the duty
So
of the
that's what I'm saying. Then what is your role when you permit that your ATM can be used in other
Yes,
ATM
my
of
lord.
the bank
Yes, my lord.
other than your bank? What is your responsibility?
Our responsibility,
You should not have permitted it.
I agree, my lord, but the point is that the ATM card use comes with the use of a
It can be used in the ATM of other bank.
It can be, but then for the use
It's permissible.
It's permissible, my lord, but the ATM card to be used, it needs that the PIN number of the ATM card has to be punched in the machine. Only then the money will be dispensed.
Obviously.
So, my lord, unless that PIN number is a secret number, and there's been many advertisements by the bank all throughout that please don't share your PIN number.
So what is to be done now?
I leave it to my lords, whether that.
May I submit, your lordship?
Yes,
He is making a wrong statement and false statement knowingly.
don't say that.
Your lordship will come to my
We
complaint.
believe, have some respect on your colleague.
No, he is
Not
making
that
a,
the
no,
false
I'm
and-
saying so. I'm saying so because he's making a false statement. Because I'm an officer of the court, I'll make a statement in terms of what is required to be. It may go against me. On the last occasion, the court has came out drastically upon him. That why you made that statement. Your lordship will look at my complaint, page 22.
Pleadings are complete.
Yes, your lordship.
You'll fix it for hearing.
No, your lordship.
Because I think you will take time.
No, I'll not take time.
You will deliver some time.
Your lordship will not fix it for a hearing, let it be for admission or any other day.
Okay.
Because this is a
Heard,
retired
mister?
person.
Heard, mister?
Your lordship, I need to make a submission because he has made
It's
a
okay.
submission.
We'll consider and dispose it of on next day.
I'll just make one submission, your lordship. He has
Yes.
said a lot of things.
Because if you are not going to dispose it of, what's the point?
No, let me make one statement.
Why waste your time?
When he has made a wrong statement before.
It's
we
okay.
start-
I'm not. We're not passing anyone on the basis of his statement. I just wanted to know.
My specific statement was that the ATM got stuck inside the ATM after I pressed the pin. And there, I have named the ATM officer, Barun Chaudhary. He told me that you wait there, I'll give it to you. So the ATM was stuck inside the ATM. The card was stuck inside the ATM. And they have never handed over me. And they have not done any inquiry. They have given a single 2-line. The message was delivered, therefore we have no liability.
So what inquiry they have done, whether they have seized the CCTV footage? Time and again, that was not a part of the record when they have rejected my application. Now they have come up with new stories. It was not that I went to any other ATM. I went to the SBI ATM itself. And
That's why I'm saying that's why you are saying that he has made a false statement.
Exactly, Your Lordship, because he has not made any inquiry.
Yes, Mr. Borua, why you have made a false statement?
So, my lord, I most humbly disagree with my senior counsel. The thing is that we had made an inquiry and the account statement, my lord.
So where is the CCTV footage if you have made an inquiry? That was my
What
repeated
he
request.
said that he has used your the ATM only, SBI ATM only.
My
Not
lord,
other bank.
That is in the complaint itself I've stated. Which ATM I went, I stayed there also.
I may just,
Okay, heard Mr. Arsing.
The order may go this way or that way, but one should not misguide the code.
Yes, and Mr.
J. Borua, my lord.
J. Borua for respondent SBI. Standing counsel. Pleadings are completed.
Your
This
Lordship
court-
will keep it for admission hearing. Your
This as agreed to by parties, this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged.
Much obliged.
May plead your lordship, the
Yes.
matter may kindly be adjourned for the 2 weeks.
Why? Why it should be adjourned? What is the matter? Madam, what is the matter about?
My senior counsel directed to me. An opposite part file an affidavit.
Who is your senior?
J. Ahmed.
No case. Yes,
PWD council will be
which
required.
PWD? Tell him. There's no case, but then a senior is not there.
With some other team.
Very surprising. On verbal assurance, he has executed and work, invested 9 lakhs. Thereafter, when the tender is, when the respond authorities issued a tender, they're challenging that I have done the work on your verbal assurance. Very strange. But then you have to tell him, had MS so and so learned counsel for the petitioner.
R. Begum.
R. Begum, learned counsel. Appearing on your name is there
Yes.
I'm for
for petitioner.
response number 2.
Mr.
A Bhattacharya.
Then State Council,
Response number 2, revenue.
Standing Council Revenue Department is present. The respondents are granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. PWD, very strange case. File an affidavit.
Yes.
They are saying that on your assurance, they have executed work by investing 9 lakhs. Now, when it was in sanction, you have issued a tender, therefore they are challenging. Work should be given to me or my money should be paid.
You have received the instruction, it's under.
There's nothing like, no, I mean, they were not assured. He was not assured,
Yes, yes.
or what? Have you allowed them to execute the work verbally?
No, Lordship, as per the instruction, it was not exactly verbal. The sanction came much later on, and it was a direction to give to issue a fresh tender. Lordship.
But whether he has been allowed to execute the work
Lordship, there
before sanction.
it's a voluminous, I will bring it on record.
That is the crux.
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship, they were supposed to file their affidavit in opposition in this case.
Yes.
And,
Please, your lordship. In this case, the same related matter is pending before this honorable court and listed on 15th of July. So 15th of July.
July.
Yes.
What is the matter about?
It's not same, Lordship. The parties are similar, but the cases
You are
are.
for who? You are for?
Respondent number 3 and 4.
You file an affidavit. You are not filing
It's
affidavit.
not the similar case, Lordship.
Not Mr.
US Bora.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of learned counsel for the respondent, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Lordship.
It's after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
24.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Okay, in this case, I have filed my Okolok now recently, Lordship. I am for the respondent
What?
number 5. So we will
What?
file an affidavit in opposition in this case. 2 weeks time may be granted, Lordship.
Heard Mr.
Era.
Learned counsel for the petition. On the prayer of Mr.
D. Kolita, Lordship.
D. Kolita, learned counsel for the respondent number 5.
5 years.
2 weeks time is 2 weeks, 3
2
weeks.
weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Public.
25.
Fix my mistake.
Item 25.
My lord, pass over the matter for time being. Pass over the matter for time being.
It's very sad. Yes. Yes, which for the state?
I'm for respondent 1.
Open instruction, what is this?
No, my lord, that.
What they're saying is that they file a petition for dissolution, for
Lordship,
divorce,
Lordship,
and the family court refused to accept the petition. What is this?
my lord, that respondent number 1, lordship, can it be do anything?
You just, as a council, obtain instruction. All right,
Well, they should make a party, my lord.
family court is there. Family court cannot be made a party, in fact.
They made a party, my lord, family court. So if the family court appear, my lord, they have
Or
to.
MS so and so, learn counsel for the petition.
R. Begum on behalf of A. Begum.
Where is A Begum?
Another court, my lord.
She's coming.
Yes. Fix it to.
You just go through. Just go through. They are saying that they have filed a petition and the family court refused to accept the petition. That's all.
HC High Court is going, my lord. They
Huh?
will, standing council, High Court, my lord, it will be better, lord. Because judicial, my lord, that, the department, my lord, that department, they have been, my lord.
You are a party here, so you can also obtain instruction. No, we'll take after some time. Take it after some time, right? Then be.
26.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the respondent number 6 herein, I have filed an interlocutory application for vacating the interim order, Lordship. Lordship, in my humble submission, the dispute between the writ petitioner is my father, Lordship. Dispute between a land, Lordship. But I have no document because land was purchased by my father. So whether it is a patta land or government land, Lordship, in that case, I think the respondent number 4 can.
In this case, your lordships, I am appearing on behalf of respondent 5, who is the president of Naitur Vidyanagar Anshalik Bazar. So I am filing this Ukalat number, your lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learn
For
concept.
each time may be given, your lordship. In the meantime, I will
And
file.
also heard MS
Embora, Lordship.
and for respondent number. Learn
6.
counsel for respondent number.
6,
AI.
Lordship.
6.
Yes, Islam.
Mr. S. Islam learn counsel for the respondent number.
5.
5 submits that he may be granted sometime to file 2 weeks
4 weeks, my lord.
or 3 weeks time to file affidavit in the opposition. Whereas,
Interim order is there.
for after 4 weeks, interim order passed, the election continue.
Obliged.
Obliged.
7.
My lord, I'm paying for some time to file affidavit, my lord.
Yeah. Heard Mr.
D. Bosumantari.
D. Bosumantari, learn counsel for the petitioner is prayed for by Mr. Portakur, learn counsel for the for extending counsel forest department. For that, 3 weeks time is granted to file the affidavit.
Obliged.
Yes.
Your lordship, I am for the respondent number 1 and 2. I will have respondent number 1 and 2. So,
You
this
want
case-
some time? You want some time to file affidavit?
if your honor seek affidavit, then I can file affidavit, but it is as this matter is pertaining to the surfacey proceedings, so it is not. But this jurisdiction is not proper, your honor.
Yeah, either it should be before the
DRT.
division bench or DRT.
Dear,
There is a order of this honorable court. Fine, that order dated 11/3, the maintainability question has been kept up in this. 11/3 order.
Yes.
because
Lordship, they have said that they will take time to file the affidavit today.
Yes. Writ petition is not maintainable. Surface, either it will go to the division bench or DRT. The writ
DRT will be
petition
the
pertains
proper-
to surface
DRT will
is
be the
before the
proper-
division bench only.
DRT.
DRT is something different.
After DRT, it will be division.
So what is the prayer here?
prayer is for one-time settlement was given by this petitioner that was to be considered by the bank. That
Ah.
is their prayer.
So bank has, you are for bank,
Bank,
you have rejected it.
not rejected, is under consideration here. Honor.
Ah,
So because this case is arising out of surfacey proceedings, so in section 13(2), it clearly says that if account become NPA, then they has to repay the amount in full according to the section 13(2) of Surface Act. So if they did not repay the amount in full, then it is the discretion of the bank only here. So in that case, if they have any dispute regarding the money or any proceeding, then they can go before the DRT under section 17 of the Surface. And as per my instruction, their case is already pending before the DRT.
DRC.
They have already filed one OA is going on and one SA is also going on in DRT.
So how it is maintainable? Madam, say something. It's your petition.
Lordship can be taken after Act 2, can be taken at 2. Act 2, Lordship.
Is there any documents to show that the OA is pending before the DRT?
Right now, I don't have that document.
You have to have that instruction. Has the petitioner mentioned in the petition?
No.
From where you are saying that the OA is pending?
No, as per the instruction of the bank, Your Honor. They have-
Filed by him, filed by the petitioner
Yes,
in respect of the same this issue.
yes, same issue.
Obtain instruction.
Yes.
Otherwise, madam, it's not maintainable. You have already approached the consideration of OTS. Are you getting something or madam?
Yes, Lordship.
Which your senior?
R. Dubey, Lordship.
Huh?
R. Dubey.
Ardole.
R. Dubey, Lordship.
Call him, 2 o'clock.
Thirty-nine to 41 are connected matters. The learned AG is appearing in this matter. He is on his legs in court 16.
39 to 41.
AG is on his legs in court 16 or 41.
Maybe on 19th May, you just tell the court. Okay. I am ready so far petitioner is concerned. Now
But we have not got the copy of the affidavits they have filed on
Which
40 and
affidavit?
41.
Who has filed the affidavit?
So the petitioner in 41.
I'm on a 41.
40, we have received it today morning, the reply, but they have already filed it. It is already shown in the registry, but no copy is furnished.
Item 39, I appear, pleadings are complete.
40 December.
And we are the most affected people.
You
I'm in 39.
39.
Yeah,
You
I'm
are,
the highest bidder pursuant to your lordship's orders to allowing us to participate. In our matter, the pleadings are complete.
and item 40,
40 we are appearing, 40, 41. I am appearing for
you are
41.
41.
Yes, I am for 41.
Who is 40? Who is in 40?
Milord, I beg to appear, Milord. I am appearing virtually, Milord, if I may become.
On legs in court number 16.
It's totally long.
Let the date be fixed then. It's a date. Readings, readings complete.
It's a
Next week difficulty.
19th.
Next week.
Lordship,
19th of May.
19th.
No, you choose the.
Lordship, next week I have a difficulty. Next week after that.
No, you
19th,
decide.
19th of May.
We are okay with 19th of May.
19. 19.
Yes, Milord, 19.
Use record. We'll just seniority was going to had Mr. D. Das, London Senior Counsel, assisted by
Mr. Somnath.
Yes,
Yes,
in WPC 41.
41.
6864 2025. MS G. Goswami, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by
RJ Das.
RJ Das for
5859.
WPC. For
5859.
petitioner in 5 WPC 5859 of 2025 and
Yes.
item 40.
40, yes.
S. Das.
S.A. Hussain, Your Lordship.
S.A. Hussain, learned counsel for the petition in WPC so and so. Next pair. It is submitted. No. It is submitted that pleadings are completed. Next pair. As agreed to by the counsel for the parties that this matter will listed on 1905. Obliged. For admission.
Admission.
One finish. One finish.
Item 43.
43. Okay.
And your lordship, the affidavit sent for waiting, lordship. Can it be after 2 weeks? Lordship?
Okay. Mr.
S. Zaman.
S.
Zaman, Z-A-M-A-N.
Learned. Jaman.
Yes.
Jaman, learned counsel for the person. Next, Mr. J. Hendik, learned state counsel submits that the affidavit has been sent for vetting, therefore phrase for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. List of prayers allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks. In the meantime, the Mr. Hendik, learned state counsel may file the affidavit in opposition.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship?
Complaint.
Here, the court direction is in page number 17.
It has
Directly the
been complained
respondent-
or not?
Lordship, here we have
Yes.
determined and forwarded to the Food Corporation Department.
Yes.
And thereafter, the Food Corporation Department has filed an appeal against this order, and the order has.
It has been stayed.
No,
No,
not state, the appeal they withdraw later on with a liberty to file review petition. So,
So
but
review has
there's
been-
no stay for this order.
Review has been filed.
They have filed but not yet been listed.
Lordship, here we are for DC, it is, we are sole respondents, we have forwarded to the.
Sole respondent.
Lordship.
You have done your part.
Lordship.
No, he has not.
What is the direction? Let us.
Direction was given, your lordship will file in the
seven.
paragraph 10, my lord, of the page 7 of my petition, my lord.
Page 70.
7, no.
Para 9.
Para 7,
9.
page 7, para 10.
Huh?
Para 10 of my petition, contempt petition.
Not petition.
Yes.
Order of the court.
The Honorable Guwahati High Court pleased to dispose the writ
Order-
petition.
Order of the.
Order is your
Page
lordship.
17, para 9.
Paragraph
Para
7.
9. This court is disposed instead the district commissioner at Aminganj directed forthwith from the date of certificate of installation serve upon in remarket the land at measuring so and so. You have done that.
Lordship.
You have demarcated that thing. District commissioner at Aminganj is further directed himself upon living spaces.
No.
Rental amount. Rental amount has been determined.
Lordship, we have forwarded to the Food Corporation Department.
No, that's why I'm from this so and so to preserve and Assam was handed over to respond to the date when position had gone back to me. You have done it.
Lordship.
This is commissioner has not been. They are not. They have been directed. It is only the district commissioner. Huh?
And Lordship, in the last paragraph, it has that forwarded to respondent number 4 and 5. That is 4 and 5 in the writ petitions.
Okay, the handable to respond for to the when position is handed over back to president. Upon such determining the same service sent to the respondent number 4 and 5.
Lordship.
Who is 4 and 5?
That is Food Corporation Department, Lordship, in writ petitions.
The respondent number
And
4
we are
and
not
5
party in the
shall
contempt petition.
make the due payment to the yes.
My
Who
lord,
is the respondent here?
yeah, my lord, the direction
Only
was given,
commissioner.
direction was given to the DC
Huh?
to determine
demarcate
the land.
That they
And,
that
no,
they-
my lord,
that-
just a minute, my lord.
that they have done.
No, my lord, just a minute, my lord. If your lordship goes through the order of the judge, it's within 4 to 5 days and make the payment also. But till today, there's no payment for the rent also collected by the deputy commissioner. Your
Where
lordship
it
will
is?
see the judgment of my lord. Para 70.
Demarcation has been done. Serve upon him, demarcate the land measuring of the selection of the revenue in district of Kamru and hand over the position of said land to the petitioner.
Yes.
Has
they
it been
never hand
handed
over the
over?
position.
No.
Never hand over the position, not the rent was given to us by collecting from the FCI. How can this they can comply with? May I read, my lord?
I have read it.
Para 9 of the last page.
Sir, I have read it.
Right.
Please.
Okay.
Why you have sent it to the... Where is that? Yes, mister. Where is that forwarding? To the respond number 4 and 5. This is 6/6/2025. It's between you and the respondent 4 and 5. Just writing and keeping quiet will not do. It's a contempt proceedings. You might have done the demarcation. You have asked for this thing. You said it's within falls under the boundary wall of FCI.
Lordship, thereafter, they have filed an appeal on that, and the appeal is dismissed, given liberty to review the single judge order, Lordship.
Have you read the entire thing? This has been recorded. Your letter is clearly recorded. Even if the appeal is filed or review is pending, until there is a specific stay,
Yes, sir.
you have to comply. So that is in between you and for complaint, we are not concerned.
And Lordship,
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the Alice contempt.
all responded.
Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. On the next date, Mr. So-and-so shall place the compliance order. Compliance order.
Lordship.
Are you sure?
Lordship will get obtain instruction on that, Lordship.
What?
Will obtain instruction on
No, no instruction. You have to place the compliance order.
Obliged.
All right.
Oh.
Lordship, I have filed an affidavit. I am for respondent of 5. This petition is filed against some verbal orders.
No steps. No amended course titles. None appears for the petitioner on call. Petitioners to file is granted to a week's time to file amended course title. Hours.
My lord, in this case, there is a proposal by the government to reconstruct a path, PWD road. They wanted to cross my land. I filed the case. Now they have filed the affidavit. In para 4 of the affidavit, they have said, no, we are developing the all way, all road. So if that is done, you have no objection. So in that view, case may be crossed.
Yes.
Para 4 of their affidavit.
It is submitted by Mr. M.U. Mohammed, Land Counsel for the petitioner that a relief sought for in this writ petition has already been
In view of the affidavit
redressed
filed by the
in
state
view of the
respondents.
as reflected in the
Para 4 of their affidavit, of the affidavit filed by
as
PWD
reflected
department.
in the affidavit in opposition of the state. State respondent
State of the
State
PWD department.
accordingly.
Circle officer, filed by the circle officer, respond number 3, Lord.
Yeah.
With
But-
the state respondents,
Now,
Mr.
there is-
J. Hendik, learned state, you are also appearing. G. Hazrika, learned state council for revenue department, and Mr. J. Hendik state council are present. As agreed to by learned council for the parties. The writ petition stands closed.
In terms of
as the
para 4 of their affidavit.
as the relief sought for by the petitioner is stated to have been redressed.
Obliged.
Senior counsel or the Mr. Rituras or this court?
I'll just explain.
Who is wrong?
My lord, I'll place judgments to the contrary. This much I can say, I can tell my lord, and I will explain the principle. I believe my lord is absolutely on the right side in the facts of this case, in the circumstances of this case, and I will demonstrate as to how by placing the authorities on the subject. Be that as it may, my lord, they filed it on 5th. I got the copy on 6th. A very short objection I will file in writing. I will give the explanation in writing. Mr. Tain Ikyo, my lord, post-surgery, he is in Delhi for his checkup. He'll be back on Tuesday evening. Positively, my lord, Wednesday, in the first half, I will file my objection. So my lord may take it up on Thursday.
May I suggest, my lord, with the permission? My lord, I'm only seeking, my lord, let it be exhibited, lordship has exhibited it. Only my objection may be recorded. My learned friend, whatever he wants to argue on the maintainability, I will at the time of hearing, because there cannot be a piecemeal shot and every time.
I'm
So
against this principle.
So
and
therefore,
and I will explain
he
this.
cannot be against this, because in his case, my lord, he has objected, lordship has taken note of that objection. So when I was exhibiting.
Let us do one thing.
Yes.
You have already filed the IA.
Yes, my lord.
We'll give him a time to file an objection, whatever.
My lord, that's a legal point, my lord, my friend.
No,
can
we'll
really-
issue and decide that, and after your argument, I'll hear your argument and then I'll decide.
You know, that's a very short point, my lord. Time reply, you know, because it's a legal point, my lord. The client's requirement is not there, my lord.
No, I am also, that's why I'm saying on a lighter note, who is in fault, who is in wrong side,
My lord,
who is, who.
nobody, no, my lord, nobody is.
On,
at
on
fault, my lord.
lighter note, I'm saying I'm on lighter note.
Has been applied in the case of a private document, but not in the case of a public document, which is the.
No, certainly, I have gone through it. I also had
So.
gone through the provisions, and I have also, I mean, I'll decide. Sir, we'll decide.
Very short, it,
Wednesday-
because I don't
Wednesday
want,
morning
I
I'll-
never wanted this to interrupt
No,
the
that-
cross examination which was going on, my lord.
No, that will, what we'll do is,
Yes, sir.
he said on Tuesday.
Wednesday morning I will file. And my lord,
We'll take it up on Thursday.
yes, Thursday, my lord,
Then I'll
I'm here,
decide.
I'll argue.
And thereafter,
I will give my note also in writing, my lord, for the benefit of your lordship.
14th, my lord. Thursday, your lordship fixing.
Oh,
14th.
yes, 14th, yes, yes.
Okay.
14,
Yes, my lord. That-
heard Mr.
14th
Ithuras,
will be in Gauhati. Gauhati.
then counsel for the applicant election petitioner. And also had. No, notice is not required. Huh? And also had Mr. PKT or learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. So learned counsel for the opposite party election, the respondent. this application is filed under section, this application under section 151 of CPC. Just 151. Why was 87? 87 is not required.
Sorry.
151.
151.
151 is not section 87.
87.
RP Act not required. Section 151 of the CPC 1908. No. Seeking declaration of the exhibit RW1 and exhibit RW3 being documents authored by third parties of which PW1 has no question knowledge on the ground that same the ground that same cannot be exhibited through PW1 list of. This is, I think, we have. I tried to clarify it on the other day.
Yes, my lord. As far
It's
as
not a question of exhibiting through PW1. That
Because-
is, maybe we'll consider anyway, since you have
because
already
there are
filed.
4 documents, my lord. 2 I cannot have an objection. I have not raised an objection. Only with regard to the FIRs, my lord, because the contents of the FIR, he was not there. He is not an eyewitness. He could not have verified the contents because
Let us-
leading witness through him.
Let us be very frank.
Very-
As we say, as we know, we learn every day.
It's not a fault, but
We're
I'm not.
learning.
Nobody
every
at
day.
us fault, my lord. The lordship initially told us, my lord, we should assist your lordship. So we are only trying in that to the best of our ability, my lord, subject to correction by your lordship.
This stuff, huh? Next para. Mr. Piketty, learned senior counsel for the opposite party. Respond. 10 days. I think 10 days. 1 week.
My lord,
Till 14th.
on Wednesday, matter may be taken. as
So
fixed.
it's for a week
Thursday.
time to
Thursday.
file an
Wednesday, I will file.
objection to the intellectual application. This stuff. Next minute, as agreed to by the parties. No, not agreed to by. Therefore, no. The IAB listed on 14. 14/05/2026. Learned senior counsel for the opposite may file his objection on or before
13th.
On 13th, I'll file positively.
on or before 13.
Right, but he will come on Tuesday evening, so I know that.
Okay, then undertakes to file the objection. Undertakes to file the objection on 13/05/2025. List accordingly. We'll hear you on that day and we'll pass thereafter. Then we'll fix after 2 weeks.
Following week, I'm told, my lord, lordships, as per the roster, your lordship is there, my lord.
My lord knows it. My lord knows it.
So from 18th also possibly, because I never wanted to disrupt this. It was going on. My friend was very effectively cross-examining, my lord. Let him continue, my lord. Otherwise, again, he has to study.
I
Stored here in my head.
I read your IA
Yes, my lord.
and I tried to understand the whole thing. I slept around 12:30 yesterday, this morning.
Pradeep, I must admit, this issue has been taken up, has been raised before High Courts, not before our High Court. Before our High Court for the first time, possibly, but before other High Courts and the Supreme Court, both. Anyway, it's better to be quiet,
Yes.
at least. On 14th, I'll speak.
By till 14.
14th. Grateful.
My lordship, I am sorry to mention, my lord, for item number 33, my lord. When the matter was called,
I have already signed the order.
lordship, there is an interim order, my lord, that is why, my lord.
You are absent.
Lordship, I am going to perform namaz, my lord, that is
Huh?
why. I am going to perform namaz, my lord. I thought that matter will not be reached before 1 PM, my lord, that is why, my lord.
change करते 33 Mubarak.
Lordship.
A Mubarak, huh? Same order, but interim order, huh?
Maksud.
Is it not APS, no? So it's 33.
Maksud.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I have filed one divorce petition in family court that was not,
That's why I'm wondering how it's possible.
that was refused.
How it's possible?
Because Lordship, in Muslim.
Sir, how it is possible that they will not accept? What is the reason of?
I am explaining that, Lordship. Because in Muslim personal law, there is no provision to file divorce by a Muslim person if he has not married in Special Marriage Act. So they they mentioned that there is no provision to file divorce.
No, that is something different.
That's why they have refused, Lordship, and not
Who has
only
refused
this
it?
matter, Lordship.
Who has refused it?
Refused in filing section also refused, and my colleague also there in family court number 1. Family
colleague?
court also refused that this is not maintainable, Lordship. Verbally, they refused it, Lordship.
So then if it is not,
It was not on record, that's why, Lordship, I have already mentioned that filing number was not there. But
no, if it is not maintainable, how you can file?
Lordship, it is maintainable under the Family Courts Act 1984, Lordship. There is jurisdiction, Lordship, under 7(1)(d). Lordship, anyone can file a divorce petition. And I have annexed one judgment also where it is clearly.
But you are
mentioned.
regulated by.
And in Gauhati High Court rules also for family court, there is no provision that a Muslim man cannot file divorce.
Your marriage is guided, regulated by
But a Muslim law.
Muslim laws.
Muslim law, then?
The triple talaq is not valid now, Lordship. So there is no provision for, there is provision for women. And a Muslim male person is deprived of his fundamental right. Lordship may kindly peruse page 17. I have annexed this judgment annexure 2 of Madhya Pradesh High Court. Similar situation at in this case, Lordship.
Page.
Page 17, Lordship. 17. It was dismissed on maintainability. And Lordship may kindly peruse page 25, Lordship, paragraph 14 and 15. This is my case, Lordship. Paragraph 14 and 15.
What is the ground of dismissal by the trial court?
That is not there.
That is not there.
No.
His
Yes, but it is recorded in the judgment. No, in this judgment.
I am relying on this judgment. This is an appeal and petition was dismissed. That is mentioned here, Lordship.
No.
And that was also dismissed on maintainability.
Where is that, the findings of the,
On paragraph one, Lordship,
no,
page 17.
it's particular. Whereby the suit for divorce prepared by the appellant has been dismissed on the ground of maintainability. Where it is? Any order of the trial court in this case has been recorded?
Lordship. I'm relying on the judgment, but that order is not with me, Lordship. That is the case of family.
Not order, whether this has been recorded in this judgment.
Lordship.
Findings of the grounds of rejection, maintainability in this case.
Lordship. That is recorded, Lordship. Paragraph 13, Lordship, page 24. Considering the question of maintainability as well as settlement risks between the parties and allowed the appeal prepared by the parties on para 13, Lordship.
1-3, earlier division bench.
Lordship. And para 17, Lordship.
What is para 17?
Page 25, para 17 is also there, Lordship. Parties are at liberty to move an appropriate application for dissolution of marriage.
Kindly see the paragraph number 9, Lord. Page 19. Regarding jurisdiction of the that dissolution of the marriage.
This is a case when Muslim male has sought for dissolution. But as per section woman marriage. So under the 1939 Act, only the
that the regarding jurisdiction,
Only
it is.
Female have the right
female has the right to
file divorce. Male are deprived, Lordship. This is my grievance.
they have to file a suit lordship before a civil court.
It may be heard on its own merit, that is my prayer, lordship, and that may not be dismissed on maintainability because section 7(1)(d) allowed us to file petition, lordship.
But then your, this family court cannot be made a party. It's a court only.
Lordship, the direction may be given by High Court, lordship.
No, but the
This
family court
petition-
cannot be a party in the in these proceedings.
Lordship, they will not be party, lordship.
You
Family
have
court-
made them.
In my writ petition, lordship, I have made them party for the,
No, he cannot be. I mean, the court cannot be. Heard
Principal,
Mr.
that's-
So and so. We'll hear you.
Lordship.
We'll hear you.
lordship.
There is no Supreme Court judgment. Except Madhya Pradesh High Court.
No, there is no the
Heard Mr.
J.S. Ahmed.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. J had declared counsel for the petition. The respondent number 1, state counsel for respondent number 1. It appears that
ಇದು ತರ তুমি
The-
principal just.
no,
party to
since the family court Kamrup Metro,
I had a file to
at Gauhati,
at the family court
has
दिया
been-
है ना phone number
there is a party respondent number 2,
Family court there.
family court
same day,
Principal,
same instance struck.
principal का family court number 1 पे तो बोला गया.
Where is striking off, huh?
Lordship,
Where is striking off the family court?
lordship.
Same instance struck off, huh? Mr. As agreed to by parties, let this matter be listed. Yes, what do you say?
Lordship, as per the my lord, that rule, my lord, that act lordship, that are all rules lordship. The family court does not have any power to my lord that to my lord dissolve the my lord the Muslim marriage by the petition filed by the petitioner. If my lord, but the woman has been filed, my lord, it can be entertained. The men, my lord, they do not have.
Therefore, Madhya
My
Pradesh
lord, they have to file my lord, a civil suit lordship. regarding what
Madhya
is-
Pradesh High Court has said that they have they will have they cannot be made remediless, therefore, it is maintainable.
No, maintainable, my lord, that maintainable will come after, my lord, when the matter has been, my lord, listed before the concern, my lord.
It is
land court below.
maintainable under the Family Courts Act, lordship. 7(1)(d), lordship may.
No,
kindly-
problem is whether you have filed or not, that is very difficult to
Lordship, family court jurisdiction is there. Lordship may kindly peruse 7(1)(d) of the Family Courts Act, lordship.
as agreed to by parties, let this matter be listed. After 2 weeks,
Lordship. Lordship may fix a date, lordship, whether it will.
2 weeks, give the date.
Obliged.
And next.
Meet please, Your Lordship.
You have, your OA is pending before the DRT?
My lord, we have filed a essay, assailing the notice, which a remedy available to me under section 17 of the SURFACE Act. But this petition is for my non-consideration of.
No, that cannot be. This is a part of that.
No, my lord. With due respect, my lord.
Sorry,
My lord will kindly consider I have made a statement in my.
what is
petition.
statement?
My lord will kindly see.
What is your right to consider for under ODS?
I.
Under what provision?
My lord, I have a right for consideration.
Consideration for under what? Under what provision?
My lord, under, because there is an RBI
How can
guideline.
you file a writ petition like this? It's a part of, it's a surface.
No, my lord, it's SURFACE, they don't entertain OTS, my lord. In SURFACE, they only entertain the violation of provision of the SURFACE Act.
So, you go there.
So, my lord, OTS.
ODS under which rule? Which law you are entitled to be considered?
My lord, I'll satisfy your lordships. My lord may take it next week, my lord. I'll place the
You
judgment.
satisfied today, that's why I fixed it today.
My lord, they have not filed their response.
Doesn't matter.
My lord, because.
If the maintainability is question.
Yes, my lord.
Then
My lord, they have not even.
you
Lord,
first satisfy us.
my lord, may take it on Tuesday, my lord. I'll satisfy with the
No,
all
today
judgment.
only. I will take it up today. First, you show us
My lord.
under any law or rules that your OTS is, they are bound to consider your OTS.
My lord, I cannot seek a
See,
mandamus. My lord, I cannot seek a mandamus.
therefore,
My
if
lord.
you cannot seek a mandamus, you cannot.
I
You
can seek,
pursue the matter in before the DRT.
my lord, DRT, my lord, I have already pursued. I have made a statement. If your lordship kindly have a look at it, my lord. And earlier,
That's why.
my lord, in OTS, my lord, in such.
OTS is other one. This is just an,
No, no, no. My lord, with due respect, OTS is been given under the RBI guidelines. And there is one more, my lord, there is a provision for upgrading of my account as per clause 4.5 of the master.
That you talk to them.
My lord, that's why if they don't enforce, my lord, earlier also they give me this offer and they may ask me to make payment and I also made, but they did not do it. And
Or
that's
Mr. Ardube, learned counsel for the petitioner. You file an object, so whatever you want to say.
and my lord,
Only prayer of
kindly also
Mr.
indicate, my lord.
Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the respondent. State, what, SBI,
Bank of Baroda.
Bank of Baroda, Standing Council, Bank of Baroda is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. The maintainability of the writ petition. Now, considering that the matters where it is, where you have said so, where is it?
Essay, my lord, at paragraph 24, page 15. But in fact, I have made a upfront payment of 8 lakhs. They have encased, my lord.
We
in
are
terms
not
of-
interested. Considering that the matter arises out of, is in connection with the Surface Act 2002, for which the petitioner has already filed essay number 28 of 2026, which is stated to be pending
Yes,
before
lord.
the
It's still pending.
DRT, this court is of the prime procedure that the present petitioner, the present petition, the writ petition in the present form may not be maintainable. However, on the insistence of learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Dube, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. The maintainability of the writ petition will be considered on the next date.